Flip the beat, yo.
Fuck that bitch, ain't no respect for her. That little bitch turn her back so quick, you ain't got no check for her. I seen the type of nigga she fuck with, no respect for her. Act like a dog, then I take you to a pet store. I fuck her crazy, then I move on to the next whore. I do you dirty, how you knocking on your ex door. You think you bougie, but you bougie for the internet. Your pussy dookie, gotta spit on it just to get it wet. She fucked on Goofy, said she wish that she could take it back. Told me how you hate the clout, now you chasing that. I can treat you like a clown, bitch, you waiting on the purse. I can really put you down, bitch, you waiting on the first. She say, why ain't fuck her twice? I say, I'm waiting on my perks. I can see your cousins now with their faces on your shirt. Hold on, wait, hey, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hey. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hey. Hold on, wait, wait, bitch. Hey. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Told me how many niggas you fuck. You tell me how many dicks you suck. I'm like, yeah, freaky bitch, so we should take a turn. When I fuck, I say I'm coming back, they never learn. Smoke a hotel bathroom out and let the water run. Count 100,000 cash, then that cut my thumb. Bitch, you can't lie to me, you can't tell me what can't fuck. You was acting so unsure, we was taking turns. You know now I fucked your friend, bitch, you got the nerve. You was trying to catch us up when you got the word. Answer the phone while he was calling, then I made her nervous. He didn't even know I was at her crib, I'm like, damn, I'm dirty. Call with phone when I left, I said her pussy murder. Plus she stayed next to the house, I had to close the curtain. Fuck that bitch, suck a rich nigga dick. Ain't the only rich nigga, I can't never give you kiss. Let you suck it with the ice, you gotta mix it with the spit. You can be my hoe forever, I can never give you shit. Hold on, wait, hey, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hey. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hey. Hold on, wait, wait, bitch. Hey. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Yeah. Fuck around, let nigga fuck. For real, you can get your dick sucked. Cook that shit up, Quay.
Track how G go too fast. I don't need wear no seatbelt. Bad little bitch got no breasts. Upgrade, now she got D cups. How about the range? I'm growing. Who is the baby? He going in. Man, these old rappers getting boring. They be taking shots, I ignore them. Send a pet to the hood while I'm touring. Making plays out of town like I'm Jordan. Need to go get your hoe cause she horrid. If I balk on my way, I'ma score it. Lamborghini, I don't want no Porsches. I'm on fire, don't touch me, I'm torching. Had the fish on my teeth, I went portion. Put the time on my back, I'm a horseman. One more year, I'ma make it a Forbes. They load me in the bed like he 40. I be sitting inside of the Moreland. Ain't no screens attached, keeping it cordless. She keep calling, but I keep ignoring it. Ain't no stopping, I'm keeping it for it. Man, these niggas can't stop me, I'm going it. Man, these niggas can't stop me, I'm going it. Every time the pack get gone, I get another low. My main bitch tryna leave me alone cause I fucked another hoe. I'm like, baby, I know I'm wrong, but that's just how life goes. And I know these niggas be happy if I let you go. Got me walking on a thin line on my tippy toes. Man, that shit crazy, different city with some different hoes. Here we go. Every time the pack get gone, I get another low. My main bitch tryna leave me alone cause I fucked another hoe. I'm like, baby, I know I'm wrong, but that's just how life goes. And I know these niggas be happy if I let you go. Got me walking on a thin line on my tippy toes. Man, that shit crazy, different city with some different hoes. Here we go.
I spent the whole M on some clothes. Got a bonus, I sold out the show. Gonna hot like a pot on the stove. Yellow AP on all of my hoes. I like when that wet on the toes. Picture me riding around in that rose. I put some ice on my wrist, it was swole. Still ain't got time to lay over with you hoes. All of these drugs in my body, I got pissed, somebody keep checking my pose. Walk in the club with no warning, take care of the money, they swing on the pole. Water on me like the sunny, I shine when it's sunny, just platinum and rose. Gonna out the street when I go to DC, I'ma fuck with the mo.
Every time the pack get gone, I get another low. My main bitch tryna leave me alone cause I fucked another hoe. I'm like, baby, I know I'm wrong, but that's just how life goes. And I know these niggas be happy if I let you go. Got me walking on a thin line on my tippy toes. Man, that shit crazy, different city with some different hoes. Here we go. Every time the pack get gone, I get another low. My main bitch tryna leave me alone cause I fucked another hoe. I'm like, baby, I know I'm wrong, but that's just how life goes. And I know these niggas be happy if I let you go. Got me walking on a thin line on my tippy toes.
Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Marcus, Dahlia, 2+, Raine, Paras. Oh shit! Is there like a little open area here? Buenos días, Aurelio. Todo bien. Bendiciones. Good morning, dummy. Morning. Norman the Dorman. Man, what a fake out DJ has had. I mean, looking at this price action before, let's erase everything before this red 4-hour candlestick, right? So everything before this. Look to the left of this. I mean, we had a little bit of a double bottom that got formed. You guys know I'm not a big fan of that. Nonetheless, this was a descending wedge pattern, right? You see lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows. This little descending wedge got formed. Even could be like this, and then we had a huge impulse. So there was a break of structure within the lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows. Boom, broke the structure, right? We broke all this structure. So that was what kind of gave me like a little bit of a bullish. Heck, when we were in this area over here, I actually thought that we would freaking impulse, because this is the formation that we formed. Right, we have this level of resistance that's being held. Let me erase everything before it gets confusing. We have a level of resistance that's being held, which is everything along these lines right here. But then we also have ascending levels of support, ascending level of support, ascending level of support, ascending level of support, ascending level of support, and that resistance right there has been holding. So that's that formation right here, ascending level of support, same resistance held as the previous one, ascending level of support, same resistance held as the previous one. I see. Ascending level of support, same resistance as the previous one, ascending level of support, same level as the previous one, ascending level of support. So that's a little bit of what, I mean, it's not a ripple fib. I mean, I'm not really sure what I consider a ripple fib anymore, but it's definitely like a little bit of a Fibonacci, higher highs, higher lows. I mean, it's a bullish pattern. And then randomly, when I thought that we'd actually go bullish, not that I took the trade, but we had a huge melt out. That's where I was like, what? I was like, okay, I guess the bullish formation that we had was just a fake out. You know, we're actually going to go short. And then we had this 4-hour candlestick halfway recover this previous, and it respected the 8 SMA. That is what has me on the bullish side right now, boys. Previous 4-hour candlestick that we have had, it acted like it wanted to disrespect and start, you know, touching these lows, but it didn't. It held support. It, you know, left a wick to the downside, and now it flipped into a little bit of a bullish favor. All right, it's respecting this 8 SMA. Nothing's beneath here. I mean, targets are like this 50 SMA. We're in between the two SMAs. You guys know that it's not my favorite place to trade. Nonetheless, I still see how this could be a bullish, you know, formation, break and retest. I mean, it's just getting prepared to go. That's I'm on the bullish side here. Weak resistance though, high chance it gets broken. Hey, bro, what a do, dip and ravel. Good morning, Cactus, Saxy. Hello, everybody. Good morning, AI. What's everybody in the chat thinking though? What is everybody in the chat thinking? I already gave my little bit of analysis. What does the chat think? Chat. Who's in buys? Who's in sells? I mean, not that you have to be in a trade, but who's bullish and who's bearish? Oh shit.
So you know they waiting for. Crush me with me, so you ain't cuffed up. Now I got your main hoe in my truck. How you tryna crush me out there and say you love me? What the hell you talking about? You ain't different. If I get on your head, I ain't letting no. If I get on your heart, I ain't letting no. Watch your mouth. Let's go. Please watch your mouth, please watch your house, please watch your spouse. But you so cold, feet, fate, I been cut you off. I did what I did, I know what I took, cause you cut me out. When I'm on that Henny, you hear my clutch, you hear my exhaust. Yeah, I came from the bottom, I came from a place where you don't make it up. I own a trap house on Cullen Road, you know ain't no joke. With those souls running from we came from the south. Rocking the same clothes, running over when we came out the house. Still had all the hoes, nigga playing, we had them out. My mama don't want for shit, little nigga, so what is a draw? Terrorist threats, my own threat. When I come through, young bum, young land. Yeah, we like flex, and we got a check. Nigga play check, yeah, we smash like a can. Talking like Nick, till I got tip. Start swinging up, just like skin. No more stress.
All right. Forex Factory says that we have news coming in 30 minutes. I actually had no idea about that. Shouldn't be a problem though. Should not be a problem. If anything, that's good for us. Why is my iPad having trouble like loading, bro?
Yeah, crush, I ain't bring cup, bring crush. Yeah, fuck nigga hoes, I ain't got lust. Black man, big gat, make him give it up. Diamond came from G, so you know I waited for. Heard you being women, now you had cuffed up. Now I got your main hoe in my truck. How you tryna crush me out there and say you love me? What the hell you talking about? You ain't there for us. If I get on your head, I ain't letting no.
What it do, badass? What it do, badass? Good morning, badass. Made 50 bucks trading CPI yesterday. Congratulations. Well, we got a little bit of bullish momentum going on here. Oh boy. Man, if GJ starts going bullish, there's so much opportunity left. Like, I'm not even thinking of terms of like today. I'm thinking of terms of like if GJ starts going bullish. I mean, look at the lows that we're at on the 4 hour. I mean, if we go bullish, we already know that we're gonna most likely come and start recovering all the way to 191, and that just means every time we reach, for example, right now we're on 188. We're about to get to 189. Then we're gonna get to 190, and then from there we got to target 191. We got to focus on these 100 pip ranges when we're trading GJ. That's what it's called to be actually trading price action. I mean, we're paying attention to literally the price action, the action of price, and that gives you huge determinations, even more than candlesticks. You know, back then Jesse Livermore explains in his books, right? A lot of people read Jesse Livermore books to learn how to trade. Nonetheless, they are not familiar with who he is. He's just one of the guys who would like pioneered what trading was. There's a little kid who used to write down the prices of what rice was every day, write down the prices of what, I don't know, cow meat was, and because that's what you used to trade back then, grains of rice for cows, for milk, etc. And as you write down the price every single day, I mean, that's what these candlesticks are. The prices are being written down. You start noticing patterns within these price. That's what price action is. Just when you're noticing patterns and you're using literally the price of whatever you're trading in front of you is to determine what your bias is. I am just fucking OP at trading. It really just doesn't come down to anything else. Like it really is just as straightforward and simple as that. I'm just fucking disgusting at trading. Really is just like that. What to do, Sagar? Sagar, today we continue on the 100K account. I didn't finish reading all the mails of what Cortana told you or Nova. I'm not even sure what company it was, but I have the other account, the 10K, that 10K live account here fresh in front of my face. Did they end up taking it away, or they just ended up not paying out? What the fuck just happened? You're not that guy, pal. But did they take away the account? Yo, why has I've been getting a shit ton of advertisement on fucking TradingView? Is that just me or is that everybody else? Yeah, I saw it was active. I need to open up my Discord. Tell everybody I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. 'Cause if the sun comes out, and I'll be on my way. At least someone sees my message too. What to do, GU money? Should I go with Funding Pips or TFT Dragon Challenge chat? I changed my timing for the streams. I mean, I kind of always hop on at this time. Right?
I just flew to London to the chill out. Yeah. Water smoking a function with my grill out. Yeah.
They said that we violated the 30% rule, that we made 33, or it's a 33% rule that we made 33% when we were supposed to make 30%. Honestly, they could keep that goddamn account, Sagar. Like, how the hell are we supposed to actually make good money on a 10K account? Like, what? You can't make more than $300 a day. Oh, daylight savings changed. Boys, it's not even, I mean, I always get on an hour before London Open, 30 minutes before London Open. Oh, hold up. Good morning, Joshua. Good morning, everybody to the chat, boys. Look at the impulse that we've had on GJ. Look at that impulse that we've had on GJ. Insane. No, I think that was going to be the first payout on that account. You got clapped in cells. Kayon, what you doing, bruh? What you doing, bruh?
Out of my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limit. I got some cash, I wanna spin it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my liver. Ready to slide, you will get slithered. Hey, we ain't got ties, he ain't gon' ride.
Wow, wait, wow, I just read that. Razvan says, Funding Pips, as for TFT prop match, just removed them. As for TFT prop match, just removed them from their site due to the large amount of people that reported refusals of payments coming from TFT. Jesus.
Got 2 cell phones, yeah, I'm sipping these meds. 2-tone present Rolex. Yeah, this drippy can't catch.
They're facing issues because of migration. That's why they're having an average of 13, 15 days of payouts and rejecting a lot of payouts. Wow. All I know is that Badass, you told me that TFT was gonna be shut down a while ago. They ain't shut down yet, bro.
So I think I ain't telling you lies. When you come to business, I'm handling mine. Yeah, I'm keep face patting my time. Paddocks on paddocks on paddocks on paddocks. Oh, okay. Ran up a check and I'm fucking back.
Is the music too loud, boys? Let me check Discord.
You have any like my daddy? I got some VVS's on my neck and my ears, they real dog. I just straight down and I run out the money. I got me a M now. SLI give me a slime. I say that shit every time. I got some rickety records, running through bitches like backpage. I'm going #1 this year. Right on that bitch, I'm in 6th gear. I'm a little giant, got no fear. Do all my dirt when it's raining. Wash away all the evidence. I got some chains in 18 days. Ride a rave like it's raining.
Can I put it louder? You guys want me to put it louder? I actually do not hear the music. Boys, London session is about to start real soon. I am getting nervous. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous. Chat. VIP. I'm not sure. I mean, VIP. This is where I'm going to close my profits. Right? I'm at 1,600. I don't know. I can't even see my camera right now. I'm at 1,800, 1,900. I'm basically at 2,000 on a $2,000 on $200,000 account. I'm basically at 1%. I just closed at 1%. And that is because I mean, this could probably keep on going. I just sacrificed myself. Y'all know that rule. But news is gonna be coming in really soon. And I'm not in the mood to get fucking thrown all the way. You know, I'm taking my pips. I'm taking my pips. I do not want the news to fuck with me. Fuck that. Feel me? Taking pips. News is coming. And let's see if we could. I mean, it might keep on pushing. It might not keep on pushing. We're definitely calling out another trade on live stream. But yeah, that's for that on that trade. I'm not gonna hold that anymore. I called out a GJ long before hopping on stream. Maybe like, I don't know, 30 minutes before hopping on stream. And I mean, we were 5 pips away from take profit, and now we're 10 pips away from take profit. I'm closing. I don't want to be in this trade when the news comes. Sometimes I do want to be in it when the news comes. This time I don't. I need to take these profits. I'm moving forward. I'm not sure if Thomas is in this. How much does it cost to open and run a prop firm, bro? That's a good ass question. This guy's like, yo, I'm about to start funding traders. Esteban, I think we should walk away. Nonetheless, I might be completely wrong, and this might be the most beautiful move in the world. 100%. Still a possibility. Yeah, dude, why the fuck does my internet work on my iPad? Come on. Like,
say you crazy with me. Doubt should not try one of us. If they do, I'm a bust. Please don't reach for no chain. Not about to say, but it's more about respect. If they give me upset, they gon' die. That's on game. Ran on my check when I walk in the bank. They greet me at the door by my government name. I made a promise I'm never gon' change. Rolls Royce umbrella, I'm hoping it rain. Yeah. Right back on it, designing my garments, corner store mornings, stand to the sundown, I don't trust no one, I can't put my gun down, going #1 now, hot as out, hands down, bands out, pants down, yeah, I'm thugging, I done got rich, everybody my cousin, you ain't serve no pass with me, you ain't my brother, that chopper go through shit, I call it a car.
Alright, my bad.
I went bought another, my mother, she happy now, ain't no cabin gown, but I graduated, her house paid for, and that new Mercedes, know you see that they been trying to beat me lately, I'm a heavy hitter like Javante Davis, that shit ain't gon' save him, leave him on the pavement, all I know is get this motherfucking paper. Doubt should not try one of us. If they do, I'm a bust. Please don't reach for
1 second. Let me update.
They give me upset, they gon' die. That's on game. Ran on my check when I walk in the bank. They greet me at the door by my government name. I made a promise I'm never gon' change. Rolls Royce umbrella, I'm hoping it rain.
Bitches ain't shit, doggy moan, I get it. Fell a little twice, had me in my feelings. 3 months drop, damn near $500,000. Nigga fuck a house, I damn must build it. Fuck niggas, so see wanna kill me. I miss Ted, but shit was different. I miss that first piece of my niggas, damn near went deaf when they told me they killed. Train rat nigga, fuck on. 13,000 VBS buffs on. brother nigga tired with a truckload. Get your head and I'm out, I don't trust hoes. If the feds in the house, a nigga told on me. I pray to God my soul to keep.
Oh wow, and that shit's coming down drastically now.
Gotta get picked up, doggy, I'm hurt. Still pay the lawyer even though I'm nervous.
I try one of us. If they do, I'm a bust. Please don't reach for no chain. Not about to say, but it's more about respect. If they give me upset, they gon' die. This on game. Ran on my check when I walk in the bank. They greet me at the door by my government name. I made a promise I'm never gonna change. Rolls Royce umbrella, I'm hoping it rain. Yeah.
Hold up.
There you go. Crazy game. Face shots to the face, don't strip on your legs. Mouth. Burn away our carbon beam.
Saxy, I got you. Saxy, I just checked out Discord. I just checked out Discord, Saxy, I got you. Remind me after stream, Saxy. Look at VIP profits. These guys cooking. Let's see, Greg. He took it. Wait, buy 20 lots. He took more lots than me, and he closed exactly where I closed. Oh no! How did I make more money off this than this guy? Greg slaughtered. Oh, what the fuck was I doing? All right. This was my P&L right now for this trade at 800, where I called it out on the dot. I told you guys I'm closing on 20 pips. What else? Let's look at the VIP. Dip and Ravel. Well, this is the 8.5. He took it right when I took it. Ah, he closed it. I mean, it got volatile. It's fine. It's fine. Walking away with the 0.5%. I'm not sure what account size this is. Stop loss 450. Take profit. Oh, fucking love that take profit. Boys, we're just being safe. Sometimes you gotta leave pips on the table. You gotta just like, let's see what happens with this news. Maybe we did it correctly. Maybe we didn't. Maybe there's people in the VIP still holding. This guy's also eating. I love this guy's on a real account. I feel like, man, I love that you guys have been taking my signals. We haven't lost yet in the VIP signals. That's the most beautiful thing in the world. This guy was slaughtering, and then he took my GJ buys. That's wild. I literally love watching that you guys are actually taking the trades. Same trade as yesterday. Look, Dip and Ravel is actually... This guy won the VIP giveaway, and this guy has just been taking my fucking trades and eating. Even though I think this is his sell. I mean, this is his buy on gold. These might be my sells right here. Even though it doesn't look like where I entered. Yeah, you guys ate. Signals. GBP buy 188.800. Stop loss 450. We were about 10 pips away from take profit. Couldn't get there. All right, news is gonna come out, boys. That was already it for that trade. All right, we're gonna get ready to call out a free trade on live stream all the way through the beginning, through the end. That trade was called out before I was on live stream, and it also was for my VIP channel. Today we're gonna call out one on live stream right now in front of you guys. No, VIP already ate today, or at least got to get something on off the table. Yeah, I haven't missed any signals from here. I don't delete any signals. We put the losers and the winners. It doesn't really matter. We hit this gold trade. We hit this GJ trade. We hit this GJ. We hit everything we've hit. It's beautiful. What? The woke EA bot was in a cell, boys. Oh my god, that's why this guy was in a cell. I'm already gonna take this off. By the end of this week, I'm gonna take the woke EA off of the VIP signals. One, so it doesn't throw you guys off. Two, you guys already got to see how much. You guys already got to see how it performs. You guys already got to see how the bot performs. That was my goal. If you guys do want to connect your bot, if you guys do want to connect your account to the GBP JPY bot, to the woke EA bot, the same bot we've been talking about for weeks and months, that is finally available. That is finally available, and it's on the WAP if you guys want to check that out. If you guys do want to check that out, that is finally available. You guys can connect your account to hands-free trading. If you guys have liked the performance of the bot and how it's done, I mean, yeah, you guys. So it closed at 35 pips, closed at 70 pips, but then it kind of lost it right here, 35. Oh, made it. Oh, so it's kind of like at a break even for the last two trades. What broker do I use on my live account? If I don't have any active live accounts, but when I do, and when I plan on opening, I'm going to open up with IG Forex. I'm just going to put $25,000 to be able to get the leverage that I want and just use that IG Forex. It's the only regulated broker that I actually trust putting money in here in the United States. Boys, how does the camera look? I feel like the lighting is on point right now. I got like the yellow light over here looking like I'm in the sunset and shit. I feel like I look great. I think you need mods, bro, because half my questions don't get answered. How much does it cost to run a prop firm? That was your one of the last questions we saw. I don't think anybody knows that answer. What else did you ask? How much is a VIP? I usually don't like talking about prices of any services on stream. That's why they don't answer that either. So people always ask me how much does it cost to pass a challenge. I always send them to my. What about? I asked about the VIP. I know, and that's another. So like. Usually you have, so look, you asked about the VIP and they sent you the VIP. Experience the VIP channel with a free trial. You could access this, etc., etc. You just click on the WAP right there and it will take you to the prices. Because there's also multiple prices. It's not just one price. So I think your question did get answered. I think you just didn't see it. But no, it really just comes down to people know that I don't like talking about the prices and all that stuff on stream. No. It's not a rule. I don't think it's a rule. It's not that it's a rule. It's just then people gonna think I'm promoting too much, which I probably do. That's why I'm gonna stop. That's exactly why I'm gonna stop. No harsh feelings, GU. I'll start answering your questions though, brother. What to do, Zied? How's everything, brother? That boy Zied on my streams. That boy Zied on my streams. All right, news is about to hit, boys. London is about to open. Did anybody in the chat is anybody in my VIP still hold the VIP trade? Not that I wanted them to. Not that, I mean, it was all up for interpretation on what you want to do. I'm kind of like, ugh. Oh, shit's going down. This is exactly where I closed. I probably would have been closing right now like a pussy. What is gold looking like? That's a good question. This looks like it might, dude, if this doesn't melt right now, this is going to fly. If this doesn't melt right now, this is going to literally fly. Melt. Go down. Drop and give us 50. Drop. The SMA works great. The SMAs work amazing. There we go. Go down. If it goes down, we have another opportunity to catch the long. I am long, boys. There's nothing that, and I'll take the L if it goes short. Positive news so far for GBP GPY. Welcome to London, boys. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. And the London Bridge looks like it's falling. I'm happy with my close so far. Unless this thing just zaps 20 pips up right now. Ziyad, is this the Ziyad that I think it is? Is this the Ziyad that, the one that I work with? Look at that, dude. How's everything, brother? Ziyad, send me a message on Discord. I need you to send me a private message on Discord. I'm gonna add you to my VIP so you can be a part of my VIP channel, brother, and come into the private streams and stuff. So send me a message on Discord when you get the moment. Wait. No way. You guys are... No way. London isn't open yet? Wait. I had a time change. Did you guys not have a time change? And I'm so confused, but now I think everything's making sense. Oh, it is London open. It's 1 hour early. Oh my god. Bruh. I could have been sleeping. Are you serious? Chat. Nobody told me anything VIP. What's wrong with y'all? Bruh. Thomas, what it do, brother? How's everything? You saw the banger we just caught on your account? Ziyad, it is, they changed the time where I'm from over here. I don't know what us Americans are doing, bruh. That's why somebody was like, oh, bro, do you usually get on at this time? I'm like, London's about to start, bro. I'm like, have I been that lost? Yo. I'm here just looking like a crazy guy talking about the market's about to open. I could have been sleeping. I literally could have been sleeping up until right now. And then I could have gotten up right now and just fucking showered. Oh my god. So what? I gotta wait till 4 a.m. every night to trade London session? Y'all want me to fucking have a fucking stroke? Y'all crazy, bro. Why how they change the time over here but they don't change the time over there? What the hell's going on in this? Shit's all a scam. What is going on in this world?
This is all I ever wanted, nigga. Why would I let you take it from me, nigga? I ain't stupid, ain't no dummy, nigga. A couple fingers on
that changes completely my perspective on the trade we were in. I don't know if we would have taken it. I don't know. But timing on when you take trades, like for example, there are certain setups that I love. Like, I don't really know how to explain it because it's a lot deeper than just being super like general with it. But there's certain setups that I absolutely adore and love. But if they're towards the beginning of a session, I'm going to look at it way different. As in if it's towards the end of a session, I'm going to look at it way different as in towards if it's 10 minutes to 20 minutes before news. Every setup for me has a possibility chance of hitting, right? But then also that possibility chance is affected by the timing of when that setup is happening. Like the timing of when trades happen is super important. So therefore, like I was telling everybody, hey, I'm going to start closing because this is going to be London Open. News is going to hit at London Open. I was like, you know, I'm not going to be a part of that. I also thought it was London Open due to the fact that you see it's 3 a.m. This is when London usually opens for me, Eastern time, 3 a.m. And so I was like, all right, news at London Open. I was like, that makes perfect sense. Fuck it. I have no idea what the fuck just happened, but we're here early, boys. Extra early. Did I do the giveaway yesterday? Yes, I did. We'll do another giveaway today, boys. Make sure you guys drop a like. If you guys want to be a part of a giveaway today, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, drop a comment. All of those things help the algorithm. Wow, GJ Longs look great.
That jungle made me go harder.
I know news did happen, but news didn't happen with London Open. News happened as a pre-London thing. Very different from it being a London Open. Just like it would be very different if it was during the London New York crossover. Like they you could like I wouldn't have been fucking thinking that this thing was gonna pop or go down if it was pre-London. Frankfurt Open. Look at you, Thomas. Is this the Thomas that I think? Is this Thomas Dillon? Is this wait Thomas Dillon? You're FX Spartan, right? Chris O, were you one of the ones? I mean, I got messaged by multiple people. Did you have an actual comment on my Instagram that we verified? Because there was a lot of names that hit that we just scrolled. Because first of all, there was people that I got messaged by some people that don't even follow me on Instagram that they're like, "Yo, bro, I want $5,000." And I was like, I didn't answer to that. So I hope you're not one of those guys. And then there was another guy that he texted me on Discord saying, "Hey, bro, I don't have something. I'm from Pakistan." So if you're that guy also, I mean, I saw that message way late after we rolled off of you. I got to figure out what we do for people that don't have Instagram and that we do the giveaways for. So if you're one of those two, then that is probably what happened. If you were confirmed as a winner, and what VIP did you win? The VIP giveaway or the $50 giveaway? I'm hopping onto my Instagram right now. Wow, this better not be an amazing. Well, this looks like, look at this. This is the entry of when we took our last trade, boys. This is the entry of when we took our last trade. Imagine we just double do it. Another 850. 30 pip stop loss puts us at 550. High key, it's not a bad trade at all. There's a lot of bearish momentum still, though. Therefore, let's wait a little bit. Wow. Chriso, message me right now on Discord and tell me what your Discord name is. This is you, Chriso? Oh, it is Chriso. Let me just double confirm and I'm going to add you to the VIP right now. Relax. Give us a moment. What is on gold? Let's check it. Oh, wow. Gold is going to melt. Gold looks horribly ugly to trade. It looks like it's going to melt. It looks like these wicks to the left-hand side need to get filled. I mean, it's like a huge, very choppy head and shoulders. But it is like, you know, shoulder, head. You know, I think that we're going to do something like that. We're wick filling these bottom wicks. Some people think that these are rejections because there's level of support. Nope. I believe that those wicks need to get, you know, this was the impulse. This was the correction. Impulses to the downside. Yeah, I wouldn't touch gold right now because I don't like the level that it's at. It doesn't really look too clean. If anything, GJ looks amazing. I like GJ. I just don't know if it's too early to hop into this trade yet. It's not a bad setup right now, boys. It really is not. Good morning, Arnold. Oh, I need to add Ziad as well. Ziad, I just got your friend request. I'm gonna add Ziad and Christo to the VIP.
Hoodie on, mask on, strap joint, try to run, he ain't get that far. This boat, try spin that block, gang, go switch that car. Chill out, I brought day, get blasted, lawyer gon' spank that charge. Hanging out all black Suburbans, Blicky gon' hit that target. Getting money off the zelly, in and out of like a deli. Free that nigga.
Who the hell?
Put a bullet in his belly. B&B some fucking telly, fucking
Boys, whenever you guys see any FX Pesos message you directly on my Discord, I will never message you guys directly. Ever. Ah, do we take this long? Do we take this long? I'm feeling a little bit of FOMO right now. I am feeling a little bit of that FOMO that's telling me to, yo, just take 30, 900. We could go 35 pip stop loss at 550. Will this hold?
hanging out all black Suburbans, Blicky gon' hit that target. Hoodie on, mask on, strap joint, try to run, he ain't get that far. This boat try spin that block, gang, go switch that car. Chill out, I brought day, get blasted, lawyer gon' spank that chart. Hanging out all black Suburbans, Blicky gon' hit that target. Sniper the Blicky, the Blicky, the Blicky, the Blicky. Kodak Black.
4 hour looks bearish. I see how we could interpret it looking bearish, but I'm focused on the last like these last 4 hour candlesticks. All of this, right? We had a bearish price action, it completely recovered, acted like it wanted to melt out again, and now we've just been holding. Like I said, this formation is significant, right? Higher levels of support, same resistance. Higher level of support, same resistance. Higher level of support, same resistance. This is a very strong bullish pattern. And that's exactly what we have here. Higher levels of support being formed. Same resistance being held. Now, it doesn't look picture perfect. It doesn't have to. It's great. It looks like a great setup right now. I'm going to be patient, though. Let's not just rush into any trades. At 4 hour to me looks... I also like that we're above the 8 SMA on the 4 hour. 4 hour, we're above this 8 SMA. This looks like it's leaving wicks to fake people out, but this needs to get wick filled. The next 4 hour candlestick opens, just fucking starts going up. I have no idea. We're going to be a little bit patient. I don't mind missing out on the first impulse of the night. Buenos dias, El Bosquito. Saxy, can you, wow, I wish we had somewhere where I could, Chriso, it helps me so much if you exit the channel and join again. Saxy, exit the channel and join again. I want to see your guys' names right here. Exit the Discord and join again. For Chris and for Saxy. Need you guys to pull that off. What about the chat? What is the chat thinking tonight for GJ? You guys thinking buys or sells? One's in the chat if you guys are bullish. Type 1 in the chat. I want to see a 1 in the chat for all the people that think that we are going to be bullish today. And I want to see 2s in the chat for everybody who thinks that we're going to be bearish. 2s in the chat for everybody who thinks that we are going to be bearish. Discord link was just resent right there. So for those who are going to, for Saxy and Chris, exit the Discord and then just joining in with the link right there. Saxy thinks we're bullish. Pedro says that we're bullish. What it do, Pedro? Todo bien, papi. Rock, bullish. GBP, JPY. Kaon says, fuck that. I'm getting my money back on sales. I see the bull run. What did do, Marcus? Marcus is bullish. And Marcus is usually on the right side of the market. No cap. Hopefully this doesn't fucking... I want it to go down more. My hope is that this chart starts go... Oh, there you go. I want it to go down a little bit more before I take a buy. No, that's good, Kaon. Your approach is actually valid. It's a valid approach to be sticking to a bias. Just make sure you don't get married to it, right? You can stick to a bias for the night, but make sure you don't get married to that bias. Man, it looks perfect that this, like, look at these levels of support that are being held. I mean, it's a beautiful, besides it being a range. You guys already know whenever I draw out the range and I tell you guys that there's multiple formations in here, you guys obviously know that a range a lot of the time it's the same thing as a what? As a upside down head and shoulders. And then it's the same thing as a range with a liquidity grab. See, we have a range, then we have a liquidity grab. So an upside down head and shoulders, same thing as a range with a liquidity grab. And it's the same thing as, I mean, look at this Fibonacci longs that we have. We just have longs on Fibonacci, especially over here. Also, this is a little bit of a down channel, side channel, potentially start forming the up channel if we start going bullish, as well as there being a little bit of a descending wedge here. Descending wedge, reversal pattern, boom, we went long. Man, the chart, what's the saying about the picture? A picture paints a picture says a million words. A picture paints a million words. Like, this freaking chart says a million different setups. Man, I am so surprised that I got my ass on an hour before freaking London even opened. That is ridiculous. Let me check out the Discord.
I'm still a kid. Take out this year for Coachella is lit. Bro got umbrellas to cover her wig. Open some money, let them in a trench. Lightning bolt diamonds, cause I will revenge. We straight like a lineman, I really got rich. Some more fancy yellow diamonds in my bed. Don't get it confused, I'm still banging the seat. Cut it up, gonna a done. Nigga try to suck the drip like a sponge. Hate is contagious, I keep me a gun. I'm focused on making that M in a month. Baby, order 20,001. Walking in by, I'm not asking how much. I'm ready on the bottom, you need to catch up. Consistency dropping, I need me a dub. Sold out next, cash every day. I got you a base, I light up blue rays. This cheat on my pet, the condo a cake. Addicted to sex, I gotta get laid. My jacket off white, don't mean that it's fake. I clean up real nice, I don't got a maid. Her ape in the night, I'm still rocking bait. Live on paradise, I don't see the shade.
Me and Young gonna back at it again. We just know New York double dating with twins. I just bought a rape, I retired the bin. I fire my bitch and I hired a friend. I see all the hate, be Cartier lens. Every 2 months tryna put up a M. My dog all the body, they got it on film. We still rocking Gucci watches in the pen. Take a trip around the globe, then we do it again. Got them watching my drip, guess I'm setting the trend. Louis backpack, hit a jet and I'm gone. I don't post what I do, cause these niggas be clones. See these diamonds, they hitting these VVS strong. Got a championship. If in this plastic, the bullets like pellets. This your vintage jacket, this ain't Pella Pella. Sold out dates, you know I don't play. The last 8 months straight, got no time for break. On they neck till it break, ain't pressing no brakes. I got on 2 watches, I still come
All right, I'm gonna start giving myself. Hold up, let me see. I'm gonna start giving myself perspective on what if the chart actually goes bearish. Right, I'm gonna see like what needs to happen for the chart to go bearish. Even though I'm looking at the chart right now, this just looks so clean for buys. No cap. I think we might hop into a buy real soon, boys. Just throws me off that it feels like it could be too early to get a trade. I need a. Oh, my bad, boys.
It's funny, the shit I put on the song ain't gonna sound nothing like the shit we just did. Yeah, I balance bitches to the baddest. Balance money on the tab. I say, I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no Molly to be savage. But when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. My girl, the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her heart. I'm the definition of a bandit. Put the perks down and picked up the jiggers. Tommy in a fucking Tommy Hill figure. Tommy hit a nigga, Tommy Hill figure fuck niggas. I'm nice when I'm high off the pills, I'ma fuck with her. I don't smoke skunk, but tonight I'm getting stuck, nigga. Hold the codeine up and put some Molly in the cup with it. I know she a freak, she gon' fuck with it. She my Velcro, guess I'm stuck with her. Driving it like a sailor, I love to nail her. Addicted to her paraphernalia, I had to tell her. I see it like a fortune teller. Yo ex nigga did good, I could do better. Bad bitch from the woods, I think she a hunter. She a killer and a eater, she a Jeffrey Dahmer. I can tell when she in her feelings, I can read her like a book. No take no beretta, effing on me, am I understood? Yeah. I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need Molly to be savage. Hey, but when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. Hey, my girl, the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her heart, I'm the definition of a bandit. My brother point her out and she a bad bitch, I'm on her. Must ain't heard that I'm a savage, once I get a bitch, I own her. I see she got swag, I got cash, so I want her. See this 4-5 in my pants, put on your ass with your own, bro. Shorty, she a rider with the glizzy on her. And shorty, I'm a daughter with no semen on me. If we got a problem, we get rid of homie. Put 20,000 in your pocket, we gon' get the money. I'm the definition of a bandit. Took your heart from out his hands and still ain't saying shit. Some new killers in my circle you done ran with. Like this 30-38, this bitch you're damaged. Poppin' Willis, 4K Trey call when you land with it. I let you drive and slide my bros where they been laying with it. I wrote this bitch, I open up a can with it. Like fuck the stove, I make it jump without my hand in it. I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her. I'm the definition of a bandit. Ay, I don't need no Molly to be savage. Hey, but when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. Hey, my girl, the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her heart. I'm the definition of a bandit.
No problem, no problem.
Get the bag, King Walker.
Let's go, get some money, fuck they plan. I told her take this plan B and stop playing. I'm tired of buying jewelry, finna buy some land. They still trying to figure out who I am, who I be. Pillow talking to these hoes, that shit weak. They say money talk, put diamonds in my teeth. I be looking on my feet.
You in on DX trade? No, I'm editing. What do I need to do? Ziad, are you in the chat right now? Daniel just bought GJ. Boys, take some cells. Just kidding. Ziad, you in the chat, brother? Last MT5 or last account you sent me is an MT5 or MT4? You thought I was gonna show you guys the MT5 and then I'm in profit or some shit? I hate pulling that card. That card's a little bit of a bitch card. MT4. Alright, I found the account. I couldn't find it because I was on MT5.
Cook that shit up, Quay.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Man, beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now that outdo me. I got hoes by the blue trying to do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I send orders. If she didn't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm leaving by morals. We swiping and keeping no door. Explorer. I'm young and I'm turned. I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250. I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merging. My young niggas kill, get away. They be virgin. It happen like this. I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my movie.
Whew. All right, thank God we avoided taking that buy, boys. That boy K on 60 FPS is smooth. Boys, how does the stream look, boys? Does the stream look really smooth? And how does the quality of the camera look? I want to hear some freaking comments, you know, so I can rizz me up. I just took a buy right now. I tripping. I think that there's a lot of bearish momentum. Like, for example, this hourly candlestick is not even halfway into its life and it's fucking huge, right? So taking a buy right now would mean that we believe that this is going to leave at least a huge wick to the downside, and then the rest of the candlestick is, you know, gonna do some crazy shit. So are you crazy? A little bit. Is it valid? It's a valid setup, really, depending on what your stop loss is. I told you, take the money down. Great stream, like the fam vibes. Man, it's not a big community out here, Ziad, but it's the same people I've been joining for a very long time. Sometimes new people come, sometimes new people leave because they don't stick around to the trading. But if you're learning how to trade, Ziad, I think that live streams are by far the most OP thing that could teach you how to trade. I mean, it's better than buying any course, better than watching any YouTube. Just seeing people do it live. Like you're probably like, you know, when is this guy going to take a trade? When is this guy going to take a trade? And all those questions that you've asked yourself and all those little analyzations that you do of what I'm doing, like all those little, like you analyzing what I'm doing is a lot more helpful than you freaking reading through a course. We only take one trade a day whenever we're on stream. We take one trade a day on stream. So therefore, whenever people are on stream with me, they could they know that I'm not in a trade, and they're like, all right, you know, I have a chance of actually taking his trade today. After every single trade, we log it as well. So we have our track record. I need to actually include the last trade that we took. So we go to the track record, and every time we take a trade, we go and we log it right here on the track record. And then so since last year, April, so right here on the bottom, when you open up my spreadsheet, there's like a little bar right here that shows you all the months. This is last year, April. April, we only took, I don't know, 13 trades, then May, then June, July, August, September, October, November, December we didn't trade, January, February, March. And so I took a trade. It's every time I send a trade, every time I send a signal or I take it on live stream, it is put right here. When did I send the other trade? We didn't even got the correct times, boys. So I sent the VIP trade. Where's my London VIP, boys? Lost it? Right here. Oh, at 153, so I'm gonna just put 2. And we closed it at 251. I'm gonna just put 3. London, GJ. We took a buy. We've been selling a lot lately. 188.850. Was it 850 the entry? 800. Exit was 189. 189.150 was the take profit. Stop loss 188.500. Standard lot size. What's the win rate for March so far? 86%. We've took 6 wins, 1 loss. My win rate for my VIP channel, boys, is 100% right now. And that's, I'm not even trying, like I'm sending a trade every time. It's 100%. For everybody who's taking a trade in my VIP has made money. That's fucking lit. I can't open up the messages that you guys send on stream, boys. If you guys send me a message and I accidentally open it on stream and it's not supposed to be opened, you guys gotta kind of blame yourselves for sending it to me on stream. I leak shit all the time, boys. So Ziad, I just got that perfectly. I'm gonna log on to that right away.
I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever from me. Put six figures in your business. I do real shit. I drop cash at the dealership. They'll mail your pink slip. She make sure she keep her nails did and her wig fixed. Went to jail and that way held me down. She a real bitch. 100 rounds in a double drum. This a kill tech. Marco been in prison for a while, but he still flex. I told Brody them to park the car, but they still wreck. I don't think nobody around still, but I still check. I don't got 100 mil yet, I can't chill yet. But don't get it misconstrued yet, I get real checks. Baby fucking like a porn star, we have real sex. Have nobody in our business, we take lyric checks. And she like when I perform.
Oh, this chart is horrible. 1 hour candlestick is break. So we're having a break of structure to the downside. 1 hour candlestick is breaking previous 1 hour candlestick lows, which is very important to take into consideration. I agree with that.
I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever from me. Put six figures in your business. I do real shit. I drop cash at the dealership. They'll mail your pink slip. She make sure she keep her nails did and her wig fixed. Went to jail and that way held me down. She a real bitch. 100 rounds in a double drum. This a kill tech. Marco been in prison for a while, but he still flex. I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever from me.
Got me wide open, got a 45 on him, and he pushing about 102. Always smoking something, he ain't worried about nothing, cause he ain't got
All right, boys. Daniel Savage is about to get clapped.
Marbles at the window, middle finger to the sky. Say you wanna get dangerous, now you speaking my language. I forgot what your name is, so I'ma call you mine. I'ma call you mine. Got me wide open, got a 45 on him, and he pushing about 102. Always smoking something, he ain't worried about nothing, cause he ain't got nothing to lose. I got a thing for the world. I got a thing for the world.
Your TP is 188,550. Wait, so VIP channel, what time does your London session start? I'm asking the VIP, I mean, I'm asking the whole channel, but what time does, for you guys, what time and how many hours? Wait, so it's in 8 hours and 30 minutes. So New York Open, wait, I'm so confused. Because my New York Open is still the same time. I know, what time is you guys' New York Open? Is New York Open for you guys is 8 hours after, it's in 8 hours and 25 minutes, right? Ziad, so London session, what London session is, it's when the London banks open, basically. What? What is this guy talking about? 2 a.m. London Open in Texas. I'm so lost now. How is this guy Eastern time? I'm Eastern time. We got oh my god. No, London hasn't opened NLT. That's what I came on thinking London was gonna open. It's 3 a.m. Eastern time, which is the time that London usually opens. Ziad, what London is the London banks, right? We trade whenever the banks open, and when the banks are open, that's when there's volatility, and therefore we trade the London session, which is in London and the UK's. Whenever their banks open, that's when we're trading. So London's in 30 minutes, right? But I'm thinking when it turns into 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, that's when the New York banks usually open. I'm pretty sure the New York banks are going to open at that time still. At the end of Forex Factor, you can see session bar. No, yeah, I know London isn't 30 minutes. It doesn't, you know. What? That's crazy. Yo, look at you, freaking Kaon. Was it Kaon? Yo, Kaon eating right now. Kaon says he's eating right now. Daniel probably has like a fucking 20 pip stop loss that got hit already. Yeah, no, so my question just goes to when it turns, so like, I don't know, I'm so confused because New York Open, no matter what, it's gonna be, I'm so confused. Because if they change the time for me, right? New York Open is still gonna be at freaking 8:30 a.m. 8 a.m. and then New York Open Stock Exchange is still at 9:30 a.m. So I'm just confused on if you guys, yeah. Okay, so London changes the times. No, I don't think New York is 1 hour. For sure, in the 9:30 Eastern time, New York Stock Exchange open, and then at 8 a.m. So, like, does for you guys have 1 hour less of trading? Is it for London people? You guys have 1 hour less of like when, because like our New York Forex is gonna open at 8 a.m. Forex for New York, the New York Forex Exchange, not the stock exchange, is gonna open. I'm telling you guys in goddamn 4 hours and 20 minutes. In 4 hours and 20 minutes, New York will be open, 100%. So the London New York crossover happens in 3 hours, basically, not 4. Perfect. Is there anybody else that got on stream from Eastern time thinking that London was open, boys? I was in deep in a trade and everything. By the way, VIP members, insane close that we had. We had an insane close. Like we left six pips on the table, 5 pips on the table. We closed at a perfect time. We should buy now. We definitely should not buy now. And LT's like, you know what? Fuck it, bro. Who the hell's in London right now? New York Open is exactly in 5 hours and 20 minutes. No. New York Open is in 4 hours and 20 minutes. There's no way New York opens an hour later. New York Open is exactly in 4 hours and 20 minutes. Can somebody confirm that? New York Forex opens in 20 minutes and 4 hours. But you see, that's my so like usually New York Open would be in 5 hours for like you guys, right? But no, it's actually in 4 hours and 20 minutes.
my change up. I swear on my niggas, I won't never change up. Rollie all of my wrists, yeah. Rollie all of my
Thanks for the confirmation, Rock. So like you guys do have an hour less before the crossover happens? I don't know. Whatever.
Now my diamonds on froze. Now I'm fucking niggas home.
Anton, yes. All right, so we got the New York's people coming in here and straightening things out.
Take on my neck, take on my wrist, yeah.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich.
And the reason I asked that was like, dude, at this point, if you guys have like freaking New York session, like London's about to open, I could literally fucking wake up for New York session and stream.
Colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit, take a nigga bitch.
188414 Asian low would be interesting to buy from this price. I think that if we reach that Asian low, Ziad, we reach it for a reason, right? So anything above that Asian low, I think it's good for buys. But I think that if we reach that Asian low again, Ziad, we reached it for a reason, right? That was the low. We went bullish. We showed that we were bullish, and out of nowhere we came back. It's not that we're going to come back and then just bounce off of it again because it's level of support. No. If we come back to that Asian low, it's for a reason, and it's most likely because we want to disrespect that Asian low and continue to the downside. So Asian low should give us, bear vibes. The closer we get to Asian lows. Now we start rejecting before we get to Asian lows, and we don't even tap Asian lows, then the probabilities of us actually hitting Asian lows during London session are very little. That's the way you want to look at it. Take the sell down the hangman candle. That was freaking Chica. Where's Chica? Chica yesterday was talking to me about the tweezer head candle, and the Twix looking candle, and the Skittle formation. What's up with these names y'all come up with for these goddamn formations? In the strategy I learned is that there are stop losses below Asian low, and it's a long liquidity. It's valid to say that yes, there are stop losses beneath. I mean, yeah, if anybody throws a trade right now, the stop loss should be beneath these lows, right? Why? Because price could easily come down, tap this, act like it's gonna break it, and then wake up to the top side. That's a very typical formation, right? That's the same thing that happened right here in this range, Ziad. Look at this range right here. We had 1, 2. So this was the level of support. This is the actual level of support. This is a range that we have right now, right? But there's the liquidity grab of that range, right? We were in the range, and out of nowhere, people started taking buys at this level of support, and then price acted like it was gonna melt because it broke through the range. People were like, oh, it broke the range. We're melting. Out of nowhere, zapped back into the range. That what I circled right there is a liquidity grab, right? This is a huge upside down head and shoulders, which is a formation for being long. So is what you said valid? Yes, we could come tap a low, break the low, and then come back up 100%. But now I'm telling you from previous experience, if we break Asian lows, we're most likely, we're not going to just reject Asian lows and then just go. Like we rejected off Asian lows for a reason, right? Now if we come back to Asian lows, it's not because we want to reject off of it again, like if it was some sort of freaking bouncy house. It's because, price is actually trying to move somewhere. Specifically, if we have this downwards, and we've been very bearish on GJ, bearish momentum super present. Like, it's not that we're gonna be, we're gonna bounce off of it again. No, we're gonna break through that Asian low if we go down to it. We're not in any buy or sell right now, boys. Sorry if that got you confused. So what? Daniel got clapped and now he's taking sells. If he's taking sells, we should take buys. No, New York will open in, New York Stock Exchange. That's Eli. How do you follow his signals? Like, not how you follow. Like, do you have his signals? Is he like freaking on a live stream? What the hell is he doing?
want that brand new paddock. I bowl like, hey, got it, shit effortless. Don't give a fuck about practice. Where I'm from, yeah, on that cocky, drive too fast, we won't let them have it. Opposition wanna kill me, and I'll be damned if I let it happen. And the day I leave this earth, I'ma die with legend status. I'ma reunite with my demons. We gon' be in heaven capping.
Hold on, wait, hey. Hold on, wait.
If they plan on necklace snatch,
Peach.
talk slicky a dead man. Shots from that fence brand. These days they don't give a fuck. They'll shoot
High or low.
give them like shit on gang signs since the prayer.
High or low is a potential. I mean, boys, I perfectly see how that could be the indicator that we're gonna melt out, and I'm not gonna trash on the sell. I perfectly see how this could actually be the sell, right? I'm not gonna try to convince anybody that we're not in sells. Now, does that look like a beautiful high or low? Beautiful Fibonacci long? I do agree with that also. It looks like that could be the place that we go long on. You know, like doing something like this, 30 pip stop loss. We're basically at 700, let's say. So 700. We throw a 35 pip stop loss. That's at 350. What is the chance that this trade? We have not executed yet, boys. We have not executed. Please do not just hop into a trade because you see a PNL up. Don't do that. I like it, but I don't love it, boys. I like the buy right now. I don't love it. We're going to be patient. We're going to be patient. Might as well. Caught 30 pips short, now going 30 pips long. I love that. You got nervous and closed at the bottom of that wick. Good ass shit, though. That's two good closes for you. Oh, no. You said you got clapped on the last one. I want to wait for the next hourly candlestick to open before I take my decision. Longs look juicy. Longs look juicy, I'll tell you that. What fixed lot size do I recommend? If you're taking GJ trades, I want you to be taking minimum 30 pip stop losses. 30 pip stop loss. You're allowed to take 4.8 lot is $500 with 30 pips. So you're allowed to take like freaking 9 lots. Take like a 9 lot, take like a 9 to 10 lot, 10 lot 30 pips, 10 lot 30 pips. Ugh. 30 pip stop loss is an OP freaking stop loss for GJ boys. I'm not sure if you guys have started realizing that yet. That rejection looks good. It looks good. It looks good. The only thing that I don't want is for the next hourly candlestick to open and then just start wick filling to the downside. There's a lot of bearish momentum present in what the current market actually is. I do agree that this looks like a reversal wedge. Nonetheless, we have had a lot more bearish momentum in recent price action than bullish. I do agree with recent price action has been bullish, which when I say recent price action, all of this is bullish. You see, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher levels, higher levels of higher ascending levels of support. Jesus. Great rejection there. We would have been 5 pips in profit. Nobody gives a fuck about 5 pips, bro. My 30 pips is good. TP2. 30 pip stop loss is the best on GJ. I'm telling you that 30 pip stop loss that I've taught a lot of people has changed the game for them, boys. If you learn how to hold the 30 pip stop loss, you will be able to catch full moves. You will be able to easily... Holding a 30 pip stop loss allows you to be able to catch freaking 100 pips for when you do go into profit. Easily. We've done it on live stream many times. We've done it on our signals many times. We've easily gone to 1 to 3 risk reward ratios and caught a whole 100 pips. Caught the whole freaking move.
Change my name to the kid, that's a baby go. Keep it Drake like I started up OVO. You can get a percent, but I want the most. Got a house with a lake, so I bought a boat. About to switch up a play that's inaudible.
Chris, I got to add you to the giveaway. Do you recommend moving stop loss to break even after take profit one? It really depends on what's happening in the market. I don't think that there's one, like people always say, do I put stop loss to break even after TP1? And it's like, man, it really just depends on what's happening with the current conditions of the market. Like there's never a 100% right answer. There's never an answer that's going to be right 100% of the time for every trade situation. Every trade has a different scenario, has a different circumstance, has a different chance of the entry getting tapped again. If I feel like my entry could get tapped again and then still go bullish, I won't even, at TP1, I'll let it go 30 pips down back to my break even and hold my same stop loss 30 pips below that. I'm giving the chance, the trade a chance to breathe. Market's looking iffy this week. I think the beginning of the week, I mean, there hasn't been too volatile. Like there has been volatility in the candlesticks, but it hasn't been moving too much. So we could say that there's been a lot of fake outs. For example, dude, Daniel must be freaking with his hair falling off right now. Like, look at this, dude. Dude's fucking... Every trade is different. And that's why also I talk about whenever people are like, oh, what type of strategy do you trade? I mean, man, there's many different strategies that I use. Sometimes I take out breakout trades. Sometimes I'm taking Fibonacci's. Sometimes I'm taking different reversal patterns. Sometimes I'm riding momentum candlesticks and I'm taking buys at levels of resistance. Like, there's so many different strategies. One has to be able to know how to use all different types of strategies when it comes down. You can't just be like, oh, I learned a strategy and I'm going to try to apply it. Like, yeah, you might be able to apply it in some certain market conditions, you know, 1 out of 5 days, maybe 2 out of 5 days, maybe 1 out of freaking, maybe 5 days out of a whole month, you'll be able to apply that. But never there's going to be one strategy that actually holds to be freaking valid for your whole trading career. There's no secret formula. There's no formulas in trading. In math, there's formulas, right? A formula is like a law that happens, yes or yes. In trading, there's no formula. There's no perfect setup that will happen 100% of the time. We could have the most beautiful setup in the world that I've hit 10 out of 10 times, and out of nowhere we'll take it and it's going to freaking lose the next 3 times. And that's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. So you got to learn how to use probabilities into your favor. Duncan's strategy is buy. Yo, the pip flip. Check this out, bruh. Check this out. We start off March with a buy, then sell, buy. Ooh, that's a new, compared to, look, last year April, buy. Then March and May, all buys again. June, all buys again. How do I, dude? I haven't been able to take this off in forever. Like, get off my account. Like, get the off. So annoying. Whatever. Dude, just look. All of July, all of these are buys. I don't even take a sell. Oh my god, just hella buys. Now we in sells. Bullish is my favorite bias. Also, our channel used to be called Bullish Lifestyle, so I kind of had to represent for the team. It really just comes, I mean, and the reason bullish was my favorite bias is that, all right, let's zoom out and look at the monthly candlestick, Ziad. Let's look at the monthly candlestick chart, right? A lot of people don't even look at the monthly candlestick chart. Let's look at the chart. Since 2020, March 2020, we've been up, ooh, down, but up, down, down, up, down, up. Like, probabilities here show that, man, 85% of the candlesticks are gonna 80% of the candlesticks are gonna end bullish, right? We've been rallying for 4 years. You know, so like right off the bat, when I'm trading GBP JPY, I know my higher probability setups are bullish, right? It's a bullish market. It's been bullish for the last 4 years. It's gonna keep on being bullish for the next fucking 10 years. Okay, now I don't need to get into the specifics of why that is. You guys could do your own fundamental research. Now we look at the weekly candlestick chart. So now we look at the weekly and we start saying, all right, what are the chances of buys? What are the chances of sells? And if you just go like, man, this is a bullish thing. Yes, there's retracements present, but that's why every time there's retracements present, I'm just waiting for it to sell off and then trying to catch a low and try to ride it out. Damn, dude, if we would have taken the buy at 700, we would have been 25 pips in profit. Jesus Christ. FOMO is real. My Rook says, I know you're humble, but you're a really good trader, dude. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I definitely, man, when it comes to my trading ability, I'm humble in the sense of that, like, let me tell you, I'm very humble. I'm very humble in the sense of that materialistic wise or thought process wise of like other people and like what do you want me to check out in VIP chat? Paras, you make me feel like something's happening. This guy's like, fucking, go check out ASAP. Something's happening, yo. ASAP, check out the chat. I'm like, all right, somebody's fucking being annoying and spamming and doing something. He wants me to freaking show his trade on stream. All right. What was I saying? Humble in the sense of like, you know, I come from also in places where there's not a lot of money. Man, growing up, I did not have any money growing up. Man, having school uniform was a freaking, I had one school uniform shirt for like 3 years in high school. You know, like I didn't even have goddamn whatever. So in that sense, yeah. But when it comes down to trading, if you were to put some other trader in front of me, man, I'm not humble at all. I truly do believe and understand that I am 10 times better trader than fucking Daniel Savage. I truly do believe I truly believe that I have not seen somebody who would trade GJ as good as I do. Not anybody. Not if it was not Roger Banks. Definitely not fucking Donvo. Definitely not that guy that has a freaking ski mask on his face that look like he's a goddamn sex doll. Mr. Callisto, Callisto, whatever the fuck. There's just nobody. There's nobody that I've ever seen fucking trade GJ and like I have so much more confidence in my like for example, he called out sell here and I was like, no. You know, like, or he called out buy all the way over here and I was like, no. Like I just I don't know, I really just truly believe that I got that. I mean, it's because I've put in the work. Like I've been here for 6 years in a row. Been here for 6 years in a row, every night. I've seen it all. Now just and then eventually I developed my confidence level where it's like, yeah, I know I've seen it all. I don't need a fucking any validation on anything. I don't need a Bugatti to be able to prove that I could trade. The track record speaks for itself. A+'s setup. Pip pusher. That's funny. Doesn't mean that I can't go through slumps where my trading is not at a good ability. And that could be sometimes maybe because of the strategies that I'm applying, or maybe sometimes because the probabilities are just not in my favor. And that's what happens sometimes. We have a bunch of good traders in this chat. We have a bunch of people that really do know how to analyze markets really well. We have a bunch of people that really do understand when to leverage more, when to leverage less. I believe it, man. We got a whole bunch of really good traders in the chat. Now, it's also about you being able to develop that psychology level and that confidence level that allows you to be able to execute accordingly. Because a lot of people start losing confidence whenever they start catching losses. That's the difference between me and them. I catch losses. I don't lose any confidence. I'll happily take a loss, get the fuck off stream, and go to fuck to sleep. You know, like get the fuck. I'll be happy to fucking take a trade right now, get clapped within 20 minutes, and I'll be like, boys, I gotta go to sleep. I'm getting off. You know, like there's no bad part of losing. I'm not afraid to lose. A lot of people are afraid to lose. Therefore, they don't trade the same way that they would without them being afraid to lose. Ziad, you first need to learn the rules. You first need to learn the rules, and you need to learn the game. It's like playing poker, right? Remember the first time you learned how to play poker? You're like, oh, this is what poker is about. Okay. And then you like start fucking playing a couple hands, and you realize that you're going a little bit too hard when you don't even got a good hand. And you start learning. You know, just because you know the rules of poker doesn't mean you're a good poker player. You still got to play and then start, you know, learning and then developing and then being like, oh, this is what I do at the table. Oh, maybe I'm talking a little bit too much. Maybe I'm this, you know, and you start, you know, developing your own psychology, mental game on what's supposed to happen and what's happening. Ugh, we could be in the beautiful trade right now. I'm so pissed about it. Same thing as poker, man. Just because you know how to play poker doesn't mean you're a good poker player. And everybody believes you're the best poker player in the world. Everybody believes they're the goddamn best poker player, right? And sometimes that's a good thing, but it could be delusional as well, right? Not everybody knows. Not, you know, very few people in the world know how to go sit down at a poker table and learn and know how to actually become a millionaire off playing poker, because you need that type of like. The only guys that know how to do it, and those are, some of you will understand me and some of you won't, are those guys that like fucking are don't care if they're living on the goddamn street and they don't care if they're living in a goddamn penthouse. The guy that doesn't care if he's on the street and doesn't care if he's in the penthouse is the guy that makes all the money when he's at Vegas. Why? Because a person like you and me, we make a certain type of amount of money. I make, I don't know, $20,000-$30,000. I'm like, oh shit, I could go do this with this. I could go do this with this. I could go do this with this. I could give my wife this. I could pay this. I'm like, all right. My psychology is I'm fine with this. Give me the 30,000. I'm good. You know, let me move forward. Other people, they're like, all right, $30,000. Oof, this is like 10 times more than I've ever made my whole life. Let me go again. Another 30,000. No, they're just, you know, I doubt anybody in this chat will randomly, I'll give you $1 million, and then you won't walk away and be like, I'm keeping the $1 million. And, you know, most people are going to freaking keep the $1 million and walk away. The guys that are the best freaking traders and the best poker players in the world that are actually scale and become multi-millionaires off doing it are the people that don't care to lose at all. They don't give a fuck to lose at all. And it takes, and I don't know if that's good psychology. It's more of a delusional psychology. So does it take a good psychology to become a good trader? Like, yeah. Now, does it take a good psychology to become a fucking millionaire trading? Man, it takes fucking recklessness. Nobody just randomly zaps up $1 million in their trading account because they could fucking, like, that whole fucking what Mamba does and tells you, you know how Mamba's on an 80% on a 80 win streak? That's the only way you could possibly become fucking filthy rich off trading and filthy rich off like gambling, which is going like on an 80 win streak where you go all in, double it, all in, double it, all in, double it, all in, double. Like, to scale an account over 1,000%. Like, imagine people say, oh, like when FX Alex G was telling people, oh, I'm gonna get $100 account to 10,000, or what was it, $100 account to 100,000. Like, that's just statistically so hard to do. It's statistically very, very hard. You need to win so many times in a row, or you need to win and lose and win and lose and win, or you just need so much time. You need to be able to win, lose, win, lose, and you go win, lose, win, lose. Like, by the time you reach 100, like, you. That's why I was trash talking when he was like, as a real trader, as somebody who really knows how to, as a real trader, somebody who doesn't have fucking hundreds of thousands of dollars in core sales, somebody who does not have a whole bunch of fucking, like, my VIP has goddamn like 20 people in it, bro. Like, you know, I'm definitely not making $1 million off my VIP. As a person who makes money trading, not fucking selling, you just know what the possibilities are in front of you, and it's kind of like I'm pretty sure we have a whole bunch of people that have been to the casino here, right? Have you ever walked into the casino and been like, oh, I'm gonna make 100 times the amount that I have in my hand right now? Not 100 times the amount, 1,000 times the amount that I have in my hand right now. Like, of course you don't. You walk in with $100, you're expecting to make either 200, 300, or you're expecting to make 50. You walk in with $1,000, you're expecting to double it. You know, you should expect to double it. but to bring 1,000 to 100,000 and shit like that, there's the possibilities of that are like, you're better off going and looking for goddamn aliens, you know? A man once said, if you give a human gold the size of a mountain, would still wish to have another one. Yeah, I agree with that. I agree with, I should have been in that long, not been a fucking pussy. Thomas Crowlow going from 1 million to 10 million in 1 year. but he trades crypto. Brother, I promise you, I don't even need to look that up. And if he trades crypto and he went from 1 million to 10 million, I mean, think about what he's telling you. He's telling you, hey, I'm already a millionaire. I mean, if he has $1 million to trade, he has $1 million to trade. That means he definitely has more than $1 million in his bank account. And he's telling you I went from 1 million to 10 million. That's like me telling you, hey, I have $1,000 right now on this account and I can bring it to 10,000, Ziad. I could possibly grab a $1,000 account and bring it to 10,000. $10,000 is not going to fucking kill my psychology, right? It's like me asking you, Ziad, right now, can you put $1 in an account and get it to $100? I mean, I'm pretty sure $100 is not a lot for you, Ziad, right? I'm pretty sure $100 you could easily put a dollar in an account and then risk it and then be like, oh, I'm going to risk more, I'm going to risk more, I'm going to risk more. Like, that's also the misleadingness of it. Like, it's like, yes, those numbers, you know, the FX Alex G could have literally $5,000 in an account and he could go all in 50 lot and lose it, and it's not going to affect him at all. A $5,000 loss won't even, like, dude, like, that's not even going to be a fraction of effect. So, like, saying I made $1 million to 10 million. It's like, yeah, you made $1 million to 10 million, but look at your bank account. You got fucking $100 million in there, you know? And that's kind of what I would say about, like, so for example, Ziad, there's a guy called Don Vo, he shows that he makes $5,000 to $10,000 a trade, right? But then I ask everybody in the chat, I'm like, all right, isn't this guy like a multimillionaire? And they're like, yeah. I'm like, all right, what's the percentage of what's the percentage of $5,000 to $1 million? Right? What's the percentage of $5,000 to $1 million? Isn't it like 0.5%? Is it 0.5%? So as somebody who has more than $1 million in your account, if you could make 0.5%, does that make you a good trader? I mean, it makes you a trader. I mean, we got people in here making 1% on their account all day. You know, we got people making. So is it impressive that you have made 0.5%? Are you a good? I mean, you made $5,000. Good job. You got $10 million in your bank account to back up that five. Like you see what I'm saying? Do you see what? That's why it's also, you know, there's misleadingness in that. Oof, we would have taken that 30 pip stop loss. We would have been golden. We would have been gone, ready to fucking go to sleep. 0.5%, boys. 0.5%. You're making $10 to $20 per day on a $120 account. That's impressive. Those are good numbers. Those are very good numbers. The more you have to leverage or take, and that's why also that like that's what I was saying. Like, man, the way that traders actually start making more money, yes, they could start growing their account consistently and leverage it, but man, you can't just let everything go and quit your job to start trading. You need something to be able to fund the trading career, boys. You need to be able to fund the trading career. There needs to be money coming in from other sources to be able to fund the trading. Alex said he hit 1 million in 1 year. He did hit 1 million in 1 year. Freaking Lambo Raul posted him. Man, I get posted on Lambo Raul's Instagram playing golf with him, and my stories get over 10,000 views, and I get over 200 followers. And all he does is post me on the story playing golf with him. Not even like my ats. Like, this is like the amount of people that follow me literally just whenever they see that I play golf with Raul is insane. Insane. You know, guys, it's like he's like Drake, brother. He's literally like Drake. He's the gatekeeper of, like, you want to be famous? Go be with Lambo. So what I was saying, dude, of course he made $1 million in a year. Raul posted him fucking about 30, 40 times. He probably made $10,000 every time he got posted. He got posted 100 times, 100 times 10,000. You know, like, it's right. The numbers make sense. It's right there. He made $10,000 every time he got posted. He got posted $100,000, 100 times. You know, that's $1 million right there. pretty upset I didn't take that long. I mean, it looked very bearish. It looks as bullish as balls now. We could have take it now, but the stop loss would be huge. We're going to be a little bit patient. Hopefully this comes down a little bit more. One more fake out. Give us a chance to be able to hop in and take it. I felt a little bit too early, but Jesus Christ, that would have been such a beautiful trade. I wanted to enter at 700. No, 700 was the entry I wanted to have. Thomas, we're up on your account 1% for the day. Thomas, we almost had your account pass, bro. I was in a trade where we literally needed like 2% more, probably like 15, 20 pips more. And then everything just went fucking... We're still in profit, but... What up? London Open has happened 11 minutes ago, boys. You see the EQA? Nah, when he first started trading, he was a non-profitable for 2 years, and he was able to flip his account to $1 million within a year.
My cousin got indicted dealing cocaine. She an Instagram addict, she want more fame. I used to starve, now I'm blowing up like propane. Told my inner self, I promise you I won't change. We make it hot up on your block, we let that heat blow. Catch your eye, we dump the clip, it's time to reload.
Okay. Hey, that's what he said. That's what a lot of people say. That's what Nord Trades has said. Y'all know Nord Trades, how CoffeeZilla. Nord Trades, they like, I mean, it's I don't know how many times FX Alex G has been on camera and he's told this story. I think the smartest people don't tell their story too many times on camera, because then their story starts changing up every time they get on camera. Kind of like Nord Trades. Nord Trades, he was like, oh yeah, man, I made $10,000 to $1 million, and then I made my $1 million to 30 million, and then I made it to 100 million. And then they hear the story a different time, and they're like, oh no, it wasn't it. Didn't you say it was like from 10,000 to 100,000? And then I don't know where he hears the different story, and he goes, oh, and then I don't know where you hear the story 8 different times, but there's 8 different versions. and then you're like, wait, which one is it, bro? Which one did he actually do? And then you probably ask him now which one's the true story, and he's probably not even gonna know what the fuck the true story was of what he did. Which prop firm do you recommend? Man, I hate choosing prop firms for people now. I hate choosing prop firms for people because just, man, I was a My Forex Fund rider. I got clapped. I was a FTMO rider. I got clapped. I was a TFT rider. We're getting clapped as we speak. So like, I got the track record of choosing the not correct prop firms, you know, so we gotta... I can give an example from what some South Africans trade. What due to would risk 10K ZAR, which would be about $1,000. That would be where we before each day. Clapped by TFT because the DX trade platform hasn't been closing out on people's stop losses, hasn't been closing out on people's take profits. It's been just acting the up. And oh, I just realized I took this trade on multiple DX trade accounts. Somebody called me out, but I don't got my headphones on. And somebody was like, hey, are you taking these longs on DX trade accounts? And I was like, how the fuck does this guy know? Did he just fucking see my credentials and shit? And no, I was taking longs on other people's accounts. But just you were calling me out. I guess that you heard the audio. I don't got my headphones on, so I don't hear the just I have stop losses at 188,400. So I was like, yo, this thing might not get clapped. I'm just yo, Arnold, don't fucking call me out, bro. You're supposed to be for the team. You guy literally put me on the spot. Boys, I feel horrible that I didn't trigger you guys into this long. I know that for a fact we are going to be able to catch a long. I just give it a chance for our stop loss to get a bit shorter. What it do, El Patron? How's everything, brother? How has your trading gone today? Any more VIP members eat? Ooh. I definitely don't want to open any of those messages. I don't think any prop firms from the United States will stay on MT5 right now. I have accounts on MT5. I just don't know how to check what prop firm they are. What the move for us American traders is going to be, Marcus, for if you're an American trader and you want to keep on using MT4 platforms, we're going to have to get you get a live account, right? We're going to get a live account legally with regulated brokers. Some of them offer MT5 like IG Forex, or you get your hands on a European one, right? So I'm lucky because I do challenge passing, so I have multiple people's European MT4 accounts, MT5 accounts. First of all, what the move is going to be is that just kidding, for us American people it's different. No, I don't know what the move is going to be, but I'm telling people that I'm passing challenges for to get C Trader accounts, because I could easily copy trade from MT5 to MT4, or from MT5 to C Trader, MT4 to C Trader. So C Trader is what I'm looking forward to people using. Holy GJ rip. Yeah, dude. I was in the long. I caught a long earlier with the VIP. You see, we call that 880. Would my stop loss have gotten hit? 450. Nope. Stop loss would have been valid. Wow, it's amazing. I thought London Open was happening. That's why I actually closed the trade. But VIP members, go show thumbs up, bro. Y'all giving me a thumbs up. That should be a. Yo, that's disrespectful. I'm about to unthumb it. This guy give a thumbs up. That's like a. Closing early at 20 pips, you're freaking loot. Like, Johnny, I do not recommend prop firms. There's a bunch of prop firms. Guys, what's the website that you check out prop firm? There's a thing called Prop Firm Match that you go on their website. And for example, TFT got taken down off of Prop Firm Match because they've been getting too many complaints. There's a website that actively follows every prop firm and lets you know if they're paying out, if they're not paying out, what the bad reviews are, what the good reviews are, what are the hidden secrets. Yeah, so we don't have C Trader access, but for people that I am passing challenges for, I mean, I'm just trying to get rid of a huge batch of accounts that I have right now of DX Trade and not accept any more DX Trade accounts. I have the ones that I have right now handled, but I definitely don't want to be able to handle anymore. Prop firm match. I don't know. Thanks, Daniel, for your stop loss. Alpha trading is good. Alpha trading, I've heard a lot of good about. DX Trade sucks, man. DX Trade hasn't closed out people's stop loss yet. People have been placing trades, and you could put a stop loss, like where it takes you out the trade, and it doesn't take you out the trade. There was a bunch of people last week that blew their accounts because it used to be, man, DX Trade used to be a prop firm. It's just a platform that is not meant for as many people as that are using it right now. It was a platform that was meant for maybe like 10,000 people, and this is now there's like hundreds of thousands of people on it, over 50, and it's just not working.
Still making double all time when I spin. S550 2018. Gotta come 20 if you hopping in the bin. Young turn nigga from the D to the A. I'm rocking with the lion. Yeah, I'm rocking with the braid. Yeah, we pay. Yeah, we pay. I'ma turn over a little more.
Yo, so wait, how is that guy following Daniel Savage's signals? Is it off a signal service or is it him live? Dude took cells, thing went flying, then he took What do you mean your stop losses don't work? Zia, you got MT5. What are you talking about? What do I think about hedging strategy? First of all, most prop firms don't allow you to hedging strategy. I mean, that's different from like, there is no strategy where you hedge. You know, you're either reverse trading, and I don't like that. I don't like the hedge thing. Get that out of your head. Now, you're gonna, maybe if you ignore me and you keep on doing it, you're gonna learn why I think you should ignore the hedge or whatever. Like, don't do that. Have you ever been like have you ever sports betted and then you like cash out your sports bet live and then it hits? Like, don't cash out bets early. You put the bet, you keep the bet there. I currently still trade FTMO with DX Trade, but if I lose this challenge, I won't be able to get any more new challenges as a US trader. Dude, that was the same situation. I was in El Patron. FTMO gave me I had FTMO accounts active and they couldn't kick me out as a trader because I was still active with them. I was supposed to receive an $6,000 payout. 8,000 was from my Forex funds that they never paid me. I was supposed to receive a $6,000 payout from FTMO on the 6th of February. On February 6th, I was supposed to receive $6,000, and they sent me a message saying, "Hey, we're not paying you out. You cheated us. You can't trade with us anymore. We're banning your account. You can't even freaking send us an email. Goodbye. Thank you for your business." That's what they told me. They literally like they said I am banned from them. And then they gave me a reason of saying that there was possibilities that I was reverse trading. And I was like, "What? Reverse trading? I only have one fucking FTMO account, and I'm not the type of guy to take buys and sells at the same time and do anything like that. That's fucking dumb. That makes no sense." How much have I totally received on that account at that moment? I have a photo of that. Let me see. Look. Where is my profile? So it happened. So like this was the payment. This is when I asked one of my clients, I was like, "Hey, can you request this payment?" And then she was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna request it, blah blah blah." And then I was like, might as well let me ask her. I was like, "Hey, how much money have we made so far on the last few payouts?" She said 28,000 total, I think. Imagine having to think how much money you made like that. No, nothing like that, dude. Nothing like that, Arnold. I just saw your message. It was nothing like that. I did exactly with FCMO what I've been doing with them since fucking. So that account that I received that much amount, that account was receiving payouts since last year, November. So since November, December, January, for 3 months, $26,000, or I don't remember what number it was, but I mean, we were going. We flipping bearish? No, Zied, I could tell I could tell that you're in the beginning stages of trading, which is not bad. But you cannot as a trader come to the markets, think you're bearish, then think you're bullish, then think you're bearish, then think you're bullish. That means that you're just all over the place. So if you think that we're flipping, I just don't know how to explain it, but you're going to have the same thought process when we go down and then go up. You're going to be like, "Oh wait, I think we're flipping. Oh no, I think we're flipping. I think we've gone nowhere." We have absolutely gone nowhere since London has started, right? We've gone nowhere. We're right here. You feel me? We haven't gone anywhere. And like I said, we're far away from Asian lows. We acted like we were going to hit Asian lows and we completely didn't even get near it. So now does it seem like we're going to go touch Asian lows? I don't think so. We were getting close to going to Asian lows. It's like, yeah, we were getting close to going there and then we never went. Why would we go now after being at this resistance? Just because we're at resistance doesn't mean we should sell. This is actually a really good example of different strategies. I would be getting ready to take buys real soon, even if it's at this resistance level. It's because you trade minute one. There, I mean, on the 1 minute we could go down a good amount. And we're going up. You don't want to be looking at the 1 minute, brother. You definitely don't want to be looking at the 1 minute. I think stay minimum Z at 15 minute. Let's minimum 15 minute. 30 minute is really what you should be looking at. It's very hard to have stop losses that are 5 to 10 pips Ziad and actually hit a trade, because price goes down 10 pips, up 20 pips, down 10 pips, up 20 pips, down 10 pips, up 20 pips. It does crazy movement. So therefore, it becomes, if you're taking trades based off the 1 minute chart, it's just random if you hit or not. It's very, very, very random. But if you're looking at the higher time frames and you're throwing 30 pip to 40 pip stop losses, if you don't get stopped out, it's because you got the bias correct. Therefore, if this level down here doesn't get hit, there's a very high chance that this level gets hit. It's a lot easier doing things like that, predicting the actual move, the actual structure of GJ, than predicting where the next 5 pips, where the next 10 pips are going. Because it could go 10 pips up, 10 pips down, 10 pips up, 10 pips down, and it's not going to, and that's not going to determine where the actual bias is. No, I don't even think you guys should be using it for executions. I really don't. I literally have never hopped on the 1 minute chart to execute in a long time on stream. You guys always just see, I mean, if it looks good off the 30 minute, getting ready to flip, we were taking it off the 30 minute. Well, like I said, there's multiple strategies of what work. So definitely I'm not the type of guy to be like, oh, that doesn't work. I mean, no, there's multiple strategies and there's multiple ways of making money on the market. So if you've found a way to be profitable, I think that the best thing you could do is learn how to actually abuse it into your favor, right? Don't get thrown off. Don't get thrown off and try taking different setups that you've never taken and that don't work. You know, just make sure you're rinsing and repeating the same thing. Is that a lot of traders, badass, look for quick gratitude. Like they want to be able to hop into a trade and win pretty soon. This is a great up channel that's being formed. Enough talking. We need to start taking a trade real soon. This guy put a toilet. Dahlia, look at that. It's like, I feel like a teacher that like just barely caught her students freaking messing with the teacher. Dahlia put an eggplant. New 30-minute candlestick. I have a feeling this new 30-minute candlestick is going to open, no bottom wick, and it's just going to go straight through resistance. I got to break it out. I got to break out now. I'd rather short here if I was to enter. Fuck no. Dude, I'd take fucking strong buys. Big body bands. Remember, I used to be Dusty. Where's Dusty? Remember we used to have Dusty in the chat? Big body bands. Remember, I used to be Dusty. Oh, is that song on? It is. New 30-minute candlestick is going to open up and rip. No bottom wick. Just rip, 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 fly. Boom. Bing. Buy. Go. Gone. Go. Peace. Sayonara. People taking sells at resistance. Y'all about to get clapped. Bow, 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 bow. If price is accumulating itself up to resistance and then you start closing at resistance, it's not going to just close at resistance and then just melt. No, it's because it's trying to break through that resistance that it's closing at the resistance. Momentum, boys. You guys got to understand the momentum of the candlesticks.
circle, minds ain't straight, bills ain't laid, pay no nose, ain't no Joe, they won't smoke.
Big body bands, and but I used to be dusty. By the way, how do you manage to take one trade per day? Because look, Ziad, imagine all the people that have taken buy, sells, buy, sells, buy, sells, buy, sells. The chart has not gone anywhere. It's not gone anywhere. Like we've literally, look, we're in this little range. So a lot of people are gonna take buy, sells, buy, sells. They're gonna make their money right here. I'm gonna make my money when the chart goes boom, 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 and I'm gonna actually catch the full move. I'm actually gonna catch that. So while everybody else is gonna be closed out in profits, and then it's gonna start flying. And then they're going to be like, oh, I wish I could be in this trade. I wish I could be in this trade. Like right now, I told you guys, don't take sells. It's going to fucking wick up, no bottom wick. It's going to just fucking go. Right? It's happening picture perfectly. I could easily take that trade and try to take 5 pips, 10 pips. Shit's irrelevant. I'm going for the actual big move. Nah, I mean, that's a lot. Ha ha ha. I don't get it. Big body bands. Remember, I used to be dusty. I got FX Peso as a member, making money. Cactus has been focused on taking 1 pip, 1 trade a day, following me. Yeah, like, freaking Cactus is rapping here. Cactus, no, but I've seen Cactus's P&Ls. There's people that are on my London VIP and have been following. And have been following my 1 trade a day, and man, they're like, all right, I'm gonna take 1 trade a day. $100 is good. Like he's saying it himself, man. He's like, $100 is good. So he's been taking $100 every single day. Not that 1 trade is very low amount, but to find 1 good setup is good for me. I sometimes can't catch 1 for days. Man, a lot of times I go on stream and I don't take a trade. Oh, Cactus only following live streams? I have no idea. Regardless, I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of people take my one trade a day trades, right? And I think that over time they're gonna start seeing the consistency and taking less trades. And I mean, statistically, you're bound to take losses if you take more trades. The more trades you take, the higher chance you have of losing. Cactus, you're the guy that's from South Africa that has the power cuts all the time? If you text me on Discord. Oh, bro passes challenges just from live streams. Wait, Cactus, you're the one that sent me a message showing me that you passed your live stream today? You sent me a message saying, yo, bro, I forgot what. I don't know, dude. Is that I get so many messages sometimes, so I really just don't get a chance to read them all. You sent me a text on IG. I'm gonna open it up again, brother. I apologize for not giving it much attention. Yep, that was you. I forgot what you said, but you're one of the people that I like reading their messages because you never have.
If you stand for nothing, you fall for anything. Almost said I love her, I told her anything. No, you don't deserve a burger, not even a choker chain. I break hearts, I'm a problem, you ain't gon' wanna fade. Shawty pressure, but I would never run her way. No, nobody special. I feel all these girls the same. That talking shit be extra. I thought you knew for what you came. If you don't, the next one still gon' make me come the same. I'm just fucking on the Lexus, reminding me of what's her name. Don't rap me like a Tesla, but I drove both of them hoes insane. Gripping on my necklace, said fuck it, let her wear the chain. Lil' ex, I got her nigga, we still be fucking. Our bond won't never break. Tryna leave shit alone, but the way she throw it make it no better, babe. Type of
Oh no. Oh, I told Cactus that if he blows his 50K account and he shows me the PNL and it was done off good trading, that I would buy him another account. And he actually passed phase 1, failed phase 2. Cactus, send me. Do you have a USD crypto account? I'll get you another 5K challenge. I'll get you your next 5K challenge, but make sure you report yourself to me and show me how you're doing. I got you, Cactus. I apologize for not answering your message. Man, Cactus hops on every single time he can, whenever his power isn't cut from South Africa. Literally out here freaking grinding, and he trades good. He trades good. So I'm happily gonna send him over some cash so he could freaking fund his account and keep on joining the live streams and keep killing it. Keep killing it, brother. Ow.
Cherry production.
They tryna treat me like a menace, they tryna turn me down. You know I'm different, I'm walking around with my skinnies, I'm standing run down. Saying he stayed with that nigga had got off the table, so he had to calm down. Come to the rack with a rack, you think I'm dramatic, them niggas get shot down. Went out of town, they said had a warrant for murder, that shit gotta die down. I'm like, ta-da, nigga had put up his work, that nigga had got out. Can't have no body around, can't have no thotty around, cause niggas gon' bail out. When he was ballin', I had to go sit out, I wait on my turn before we had fell out. And I was standing my ground, I ain't had no body around, I'm fighting assault. I had a deadly weapon, I had a Smith & Wesson, but I got caught. I got Sam for all my cases, you know damn well he getting me out. Better do hair and nails, you better go pull up a scam to get me out. I'm this street shit to a street nigga and that time I ain't get caught. I had a best friend with a best friend, she a lesbian, I thought. I got my gas in, I went to the West End, I ain't go to the trunk. Keep it a buck, I was just listening to Gucci.
I just added you, Sexy.
Why you telling we not in tour? Park the car, they gon' jump out the door. Catch you slipping, you get a reward. And they snatching my people for. Got the keys, Alicia Nord. Get your Addy up here in the wood. And the cat with the Drake at the door. Wow, wow, wow. Why you telling niggas we ain't tour? Why you telling niggas we going to war? I don't even know about them boys. Wow, wow, wow. Nah, we ain't trying to squash no wars.
No, you're totally fine. I'm aware that U.S. clients can't transfer to C-Trader. Most of my clients that are, I mean, the people that did transfer aren't from United States. All right, boys. So we finally are getting a little bit more price action coming in on GJ. I mean, we clearly see that we rejected Asian lows. We have a down channel, side channel, up channel being formed, upside down head and shoulders, as well as a range with a liquidity grab at the bottom of the range, giving us, you know, vibes that we have bullish price action present, right? A lot of bullish price action present. Buyers are clearly here in the market, pushing us up. A lot of people I told you, just like at this resistance, we had a whole bunch of people telling us sells. I told you guys, boys, momentum is coming into the market right now. That is not a sell. That is a clear buy, especially with bullish candlestick, momentum candlestick, bullish candlestick. 30-minute candlestick opened, started flying. Very easily, very easy momentum to identify. Now it really just comes down to, is the next candlestick going to close here and then just open with clean momentum again? I mean, we have a bias that is very set now, right? If you are bearish in the market, then Jesus, I do not know what's, you know, you need to keep on coming to the streams. But if you are bullish right now, right, our question is, hey, are we going to take a buy right here, throw a 30 pip stop loss, you know, at levels, you know, like the 800 levels? or are we just, or 750s, or are we just gonna go wait for the retracement and then try to ride the ride the momentum that we should continue taking? Look at the daily candlestick. Daily candlestick looks like it's on a mission. It looks like it's trying to go to this. Man, it looks like it's trying to go up. It looks like it's trying to go to this 8 SMA down here, up there. We have our 50 SMA about, so we have about 30 to 40 pips range that we could catch, right? This is a 30 pip range that we could catch. Now, it really just comes down to taking a buy at the correct level when it retraces and then just trusting it and riding it out. You're totally fine, Ziad, brother. Keep killing it, homie. Keep killing it. I will take care of you, brother. Much love. Thank you for joining the stream and showing some freaking love. Shout out to one of my editors, man. Ziad in the chat. Let's go check a look at gold for now, boys. Or actually, let's see. Let's actually ask the chat. One's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish on GJ. I want to know what you guys think. What is the majority of the chat thinking? And don't just say bullish because you guys are bullish with me. Type 1 in the chat if you guys are bullish. You guys are going to be taking buy soon. Type 2 in the chat if you guys think that, no, we should be melting towards, Asian lows and then potentially even lower. Two, because I have type 2 diabetes. Xander says 2. We got majority of buyers in the market here, clearly. Good. Look at you, Dahlia. How is everything? Dahlia, I see you put an eggplant over here. Very funny. Very, very funny. Buys on the breakout. Hopefully we take a buy before the breakout comes. Two 30 pip take profit. So what, you take like a 30 pip to sell right now? No stop. Oh. That is some aggressiveness. Dahlia, relax. Jesus Christ. Yo, you boys need to chill. That's some woke shit. That's yo, Dahlia, you making the dudes go crazy in the chat. I got the horses in the back. My TP hit right there. This was my VIP signals. Take profit. Take profit. 189, 150, 189, 150 tapped. Stop loss at 188, 450. Look at 188, 450 all the way down here. Never tapped. This was the trade I called out for my beautiful VIP. Right here. But I actually called it out. Like what, right here? Wait, what is the entry that I had? 800. Oh. What a beautiful fucking trade that I called out. I know it entered into drawdown. So this is when I entered. Stop loss was at 450. This was the trade I called out for my VIP. Nonetheless, because news was coming and I thought that London Open was happening, I closed it out at what, 900? Like around here. 20 pips. A little bit more than halfway. So VIP members, like I said, we have not lost a trade in VIP since we started the VIP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Called out 6 trades, 6 for 6. And I already logged it on the track record. So we can see in March, we have a 86% win rate in March. Like a boss. Dahlia, have you been liking the VIP signals, or have they been? I mean, I've told you guys, if you guys want me to open up a Telegram channel, we could open up a Telegram channel. If we could do like a guided call for you guys to be able to receive notifications. I know that this one, everybody got to take this trade. I know for well, not everybody, but majority, because right when I called out the trade, we had like 9 freaking fires. So that means that you guys were there, and we went straight into drawdown. So whoever saw it late got to catch a better price. Thank you, Arnold, for that. I'm bullish for today, boys. Very bullish. I'm actually currently writing out buys in a lot of people's. For if I'm passing your challenge and I'm passing your challenge on DX Trade, most likely you are in a long right now. Taking oof when we're in hella drawdown. You're like 40 pips up or 45 pips up right now. And I'm not even gonna close those out. I'm gonna actually write those out all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Diamonds in the rollie, they in HD like it's Blu-ray. The way that I've been ballin' should make the cover of 2K. Show out for the summer, I might pull up in a new rave. This is on the game, that's gonna only get your crew chase. And we haul shit down, better tighten up your shoelace. Look, bro, get up close and let the Glock 22. Sorry for having you guys waiting, boys. I mean, I just know that this is not the best time to enter. So why is it not the best time to enter? Due to the fact, guys, if we throw a stop loss right now, the only valid stop loss that we would be able to throw is like, man, probably underneath this 50 SMA, because this 50 SMA could easily get tapped. And then, you know, this chart could easily just come back down, you know, hit this fucking 50 SMA and then end up rallying, right? That's still a possibility, boys. Don't think that the chart's just gone. That's a horrible thought process to have. So like me just knowing that this, like the valid stop loss is very far away. I mean, you just got to be patient and wait for, you know, we missed our execution when it was actually dying. I blame that on me. I mean, I was a little bit thrown off. Now, is there a valid trade? I mean, it is a valid trade if we throw something like this, right? Something like this, 50 pip stop loss. But then that means to hit take profit 1, we need to go 50 pips. It's not really what we want to do. So like, do I think it's bullish? Yes. Do I think it's a smart thing to hop in? Probably not. Probably not. I don't want to go through drawdown. I know, you know. 100 people plus watching, boys. If you guys want to do a 5K, if you guys want to do a giveaway, we could do a VIP giveaway and a 5K account giveaway. Make sure you guys drop a like. I'm not sure how many likes we have, but we need to reach 100 likes and we could do a VIP giveaway for you guys to get VIP access. Dahlia's from Texas. Of course she's from the US. Oriol, buenos días, ¿te acuerdas de mí? Creo que sí. Riding that bull down in Texas. That's so funny. Jesus, me rolling so many times, I don't even know who the goddamn winners are. Joshua, did you win the 50K? Did you win the VIP giveaway or the 5K? I mean, the VIP giveaway or the $50? The 5K. The thing is, I rolled so many times the $50, and your name was when you. I need to go back and verify, but did he have a comment for sure? You had a comment. You're in the VIP now. What? You see, I'm so confused. And a lot of times people do the giveaways and they don't even know what they're freaking in the giveaway for. Joshua, let me double check. Yeah, is that yesterday we had multiple rolls and then Jesus, I don't even know what I did. Joshua, yo, Badas, after every giveaway, I'm gonna just charge you to be able to fucking help me do the giveaway right after stream. Because a lot of times I do the giveaway and then I just give it away the next day because I'm busy. I'm gonna charge you of helping people get the giveaway. That's why you were right. We should have had the support. We'll think of a solution real soon. Joshua, I got you, brother. Yo, what's up with these freaking charts? Slowed down out of nowhere. Imagine. Buena Oriol. Oriol, creo que me acuerdo de ti. I mean, I remember your name. Me acuerdo de tu nombre, pero no sé de quién específico. Man, at this point, everybody want a giveaway. Start like a Spanish game host. Boys, whenever we do a giveaway, if your name hits and you don't send your Instagram, and once I see your Instagram, I need to see that you follow and have a comment on my last post. It's been the same thing for every giveaway, right? So if your name has hit and I've seen that you don't, been here since 2023. Un Oriol con leche. Dude. I don't even know what to tell this guy. Woo. It's so funny. I have people commenting on my last post now and shit. Omar said, Omar, message me on Instagram as we speak. Can you message me on Instagram as we speak and then say, hey, it's Omar said Omar. Did you message me on Instagram after winning? Just message me right now. I'll handle it, brother. Yo, GJ hasn't moved since yesterday, no? Like yesterday, what would the market do yesterday? I feel like this shit. Fuck that. Yeah, fuck Nightbot. Ooh, the gold meltdown might start right now. Maybe a leche. Let me check my Instagram.
What does it really mean to follow God? Like as I stand here today, I'm reminded of the first time my children ever got an opportunity to be in snow. And when we walked outside in the snow, they were very fearful in terms.
You and me have had a lot of messages before.
And what I did was I walked in front of them and I took steps and I said to them,
yo, this guy's cap. This guy's such cap. You see, this is why, chat. You guys, please, chat. Don't ever listen. Don't not ever listen to. Don't ever listen to the comments, boys. Do not ever listen to the comments. I'm telling you, boys, that everybody tells me they win the giveaway, and then people start losing confidence in what fucking. I pay away every giveaway, boys. There's no reason for me to fucking do a giveaway and not give you guys the goddamn money. I promise you, I'll give you guys the goddamn money. It really doesn't hurt. And most giveaways are VIP also. So sometimes I do giveaways and then people message me and they're like, "Yo, bro, what about my $5,000?" I'm like, "Yo, bro, what the fuck are you talking about?" But yeah, that's a clear example. Now it got me thinking, how many more people have I given the giveaway that actually haven't won? Just kidding. No, Omar, you definitely are not getting the giveaway. Keep on joining and I promise you, you will win. There's everybody who joins for a long time wins because we just do so many giveaways that statistically you're just bound to freaking get hit. You're lucky, Omar, that I'm not in a bad mood and that I like you. Tell them you bro, you won 5,000 giveaway, then send your mom to Much love to you, Omar, as well, brother. I will man, I'll see what I can do to give you some love back. I just can't, man, think about it. I can imagine how many people are just like you that want me to give away something to them. If I go and I just give it away to you, then I got to give it away to the next guy, then I got to give it away to the next guy. See Cactus in here. You know, there's just a whole bunch of people that always get asking me for giveaways. So it's never, ever, whenever I have a bad reaction, this is for anybody listening in the future. Whenever I had a bad reaction to somebody asking for something, it's not because I care that that person in specific is asking. It's more like just the reaction of accumulated. Guys, I get messages on my Instagram of people telling me, my kid has this, my wife has this, I'm dying, I literally just need this amount of money for this treatment, I need this, and like I get messages all the time, every single day, and that's why a lot of the times, for example, Cactus, you sent me a message that I didn't read because I just receive messages all the time, and when I have a feeling on where it's going, like I'm like, oh, I know where this is going, I kind of just don't even read it because it's hard to fucking read something and not like fucking respond. And I've learned, I mean, the first 2 years I started streaming, like 3 years ago, I played Superhero. I played Superhero many times, and I still play Superhero, right? I still do send money to random people. Man, I had fucking students that were in goddamn probation that would call me and be like, yo, bro, I'm about to go get drug tested. I'm going to go to jail if I don't get $50 right now to buy a fucking fake piss. And I'd literally fucking, like, all types of shit from all types of people, from many people. Freaking, I'm not going to name anybody in specific. because it's their things. But I've had people tell me, "Yo, I stole money from my grandpa. Now my mom's kicking me out of my house and blah 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 blah." Like just every single day, there's just so many different requests, and it's like, I am not that guy, boys. I wish I had it all. I wonder, I'm wondering if I did have like as much money as like fucking, let's say Lambo Raul, would I answer all your guys' calls? I don't know, because there's a lot of calls to answer, and the more calls you answer, the more you gotta answer.
I remember catching stains in the park, nigga. Me and Bubba trying to catch a eye from the dark, nigga. My mama told me watching out, be a smart, nigga. For all my niggas on gold like a cart, nigga. Spelling job mean a bullet to your heart, nigga. I don't really wanna speak facts, see the chart, nigga. I'ma skip tasks, my wrist trying. Everybody wanna fuck with me for benefits.
First of all, it's not a donation stream, but people want.
Maybe roll up, boss, split down. Time go by, niggas change so much. Why the fuck these niggas looking at my chain so much? They just mad cause I departed from the game so much. One force move and the game gon' bust. All niggas I don't trust.
Much love, Omar. All right, back to the charts. What are we gonna do? Charts are not moving. I'm expecting a little bit of a retracement. I'm expecting a little bit of a retracement, hoping for a little bit of retracement, but also expecting one. Hoping because I want to be able to hop into a long. Expecting because we're at resistance, and this looks like we might need to act like we're wick filling here. I mean, I know that sometimes at resistance we take buys, but right now we're taking long to buy through this resistance, and it's a hope thing, because if we just start exploding right now, there's no bottom wick and we're not coming back. They'd be like 20p. Hey, bro, you hit me up for $20 for a beer. I'll definitely send you. The beer is a must. It's like, hey, yo, can you send me $10? I'm trying to buy a gram of weed. Are we buying or selling tonight? We're definitely not selling. I'm about to bring out my freaking LED lights again. I got like LED light. I don't even know why I bought these. I just wanted to be able to be like a cop car. Let me see if I can find some cop car colors. Oh, that's for the brightness. Okay. I'm so white already. I put this to my face and you guys can't even see me. I can like light up shit, dude. This shit's fire. This is what I got up here on my left hand side. I don't know if you guys notice. I'm not just like white right now because I got like yellow light on me also. I swear this shit so deep. I made it to the top and they all looked up in disbelief. They hate that I'm doing better, they much tried to get rid of me. I feel like a little kid with his toys. I came a long way, but I ain't as far as I'm finna be. I promise I'm a die legend, I'ma make sure that you remember me. I used to daydream, I pictured everything so vividly. I had a feeling we had been since elementary. My people's gone. Hold on, wait. I'll take that last one. Right, for being such a brighter than my trading career. Like I have these, dude. I have these like bar lights across. I wish I could show my setup. I feel like everything's gonna get disconnected if I start touching around. Hold on, wait, hey, hold on, wait. I'm gonna send a photo to my VIP chat, which I've already sent to the VIP chat. I'm just gonna send it again so I could show it to you guys.
Slide my Rolls Royce through the hood, that shit look good like right on. Get your own salon, your hair done when you want from now on. Tell the police don't do nothing, I've been
What was I gonna do? Oh, look at it. Look at this is my setup, boys. It's all half of my office is built. Like one wall. I need to build like a couple more walls. VIP chats.
want me to come inside of who I nutted in her face. I don't like to go too many places, I run shit in the A. Get a hotel for a year straight, ain't no pillow where I stay.
Okay. Fuck.
Niggas up, yeah. I know nigga who let bitches too, yeah. I been in 100 million moves, life is real, let her pop a pill. She
This is how it looks.
bad bitch, put 'em in the arena, go below the belt, no referee. Ain't no stopping me, I'm tryna take it down. The only problems I'm having in life was watch I'm away.
My cable management is so on point. All the cables are like attached to the bottom. I swear to God, it doesn't look like it's on point. I'm telling you, the cable management is so on point.
Me about a bitch who fucking both of us. I went and ran my money up. I swear it's over for 'em. I done gave my feelings up. I don't know who to trust.
This is where my camera goes. My camera's not there right now.
I don't know who to bust. She my gangster.
Camera's there.
Racks and told her stash that. Love when you going back like, damn, you know that ass fat. You know I'm a blast back. You
I had some other photos.
know why you acting like it's something that it wasn't. She know how to make me mad. I swear this bitch put every
Superman. That's Louis Vuitton on my shorts.
real still. Slide my Rolls Royce through the hood, that shit look good like right on. Get your own salon, your hair done when you want from now on. Tell the police don't do nothing, I've been selling these songs. Ain't put no cap in
Christian Louboutin.
Slide my Rolls Royce through the hood, that shit look good like right on. Get your own salon, your hair done when you want from now on. Tell the police don't do nothing, I've been selling these songs. Ain't put no cap inside my
Oh, that's our Superman in his shorts. I thought you meant that I had Superman shorts on. I'm like, no, bro, those are Louis Vuitton shorts. Stop playing with me.
won't even look right. I just hit the woman of my dreams.
I'm always in shorts. Actually, I'm not always in shorts, but what you expect, boys? It's 5 in the morning right now where I am, boys. 5 in the goddamn morning.
Investing my money in all type of shit. Ownership. Please don't involve me in all that messy shit. I don't want
Woke money concepts, neon. I already bought it, and it's in my office. I just haven't picked it up from the office. It got here today, and I was busy. But I have my woke money concepts neon sign that's gonna be posted. Yes. And then I'm gonna start posting. Like, there's gonna be a camera back here, being able to record me with the woke money sign in the background. We're gonna start producing content daily.
you want from now on. Tell the police don't do nothing, I've been selling these songs. Ain't put no cap inside my rap, ain't too much lean on. Slide my Rolls Royce through the hood, that shit look good like right on.
Where did I get my neon sign, dude?
From now on. Tell the police don't do nothing, I've
On Amazon. On Amazon. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special. Yo, no wonder my pen has been hitting like a fucking pussy. It's just not even on hard. Gold is about to drop. Gold has been baiting that it wants to do something, has done not anything. I feel like GG is the same story. Trust me, boys, I really want to call out a trade on live stream. I feel like in 2 days, well, in 2 days we have not called, the last 2 streams we have not called out a live trade. I apologize for that. Well, yesterday we did call out what's going to happen. I just didn't tell you guys that I was in because I was trying to have my VIP eat separately. Selfish maybe, but got to show value somewhere. Here, because I've called out already a VIP trade. Actually, I have no idea. Clean as fuck. We're about to go on to this being a 3-hour stream, and I think I'm going to be trust me. All right, boys. So for those who are bored and want me to stay on the stream because I entertain them, I apologize. I do not know if we're going to continue on stream. Now, for those who want me to stay on stream because they really want to take my next trade, I will send my next trade to the VIP. I mean, to the admin signals. I'll send it to the free signals chat, boys. So make sure you guys join the Discord. I'm going to send a free trade. I do not know when the entry is going to be. It could be within the next 20 minutes. It could be within the next 30. If I don't send it, but within an hour, I'm most likely not sending one. But I will be sending one. And so if you guys do want to follow my trade, I'll give you guys the ability to do that. If I don't go to sleep, which a lot of the time I go and lay down and I don't go to sleep, I'm gonna text the VIP, and on VIP we're gonna hop on Discord and we'll shoot the shit for New York session. I already rested for a good amount of time, so I don't feel like I'm gonna go to sleep. I feel like it's gonna be one of those times where I get off the stream for like an hour, 2 hours, and then I come back. If you guys want to be able to take my trade, look at the chat right now. Look at the chat right now. You guys can see. If you guys want to capture, if you guys do want to take my next trade with me, go to the Discord. Discord link is in the bio. Discord link right there is in the chat. He going to sleep? No, I wish. I have to. The thing is, what I have to do right now is I have to trade a whole bunch of DX trade accounts, and I'm not going to start opening a bunch of people's credentials in front of me. You know, like I can't do that. You know, and I have to get ready to, you know, do what I do. I've been on for 3 hours already, and yeah, there's no point of me just watching the charts and not doing anything. Let's try to make some money. I already called out a trade to my VIP channel. VIP channel has 8. VIP channel has made money off every trade. There has not been one trade sent to the VIP channel that we have not won. So for VIP, we are 6 for 6. Get Him Gaming blew his account off of like the second trade, not taking profit at Take Profit 1, and then he left the VIP. And then from there, we've just been winning, and having streams daily. So it's a lesson to you guys. Those who stick around are those who win. Those who don't stick around are those who end up losing and then just staying with the loss and moving. You know, those are those who don't are in the, or those who end up eating shit. That's the way to put it. Sorry for the harsh truth. Stick around, boys. All right, much love to everybody. I adore you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream. You guys are awesome. And if you guys want to take my next trade, just pay attention to the admin signals. And yeah, make sure you guys are in the Discord, admin signals. See you tomorrow, brother. Buenas noches, papi. We have been eating the cool good table. Dude, that guy is such a fucking hater. Like, Jesus Christ. I didn't even kick him out the VIP, Dahlia. He freaking left the VIP. He literally left the VIP. The Get Him Gaming guy. He like fucking... forgot what... oh, he got upset that I opened up a New York VIP. And he was like, yo, bro, how the hell are you going to open up a New York VIP? This is the same shit. Every trader gets greedy, and now you're getting greedy, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, look, bro, I'm so sorry. I was like, I apologize. I was like, if you want, I will add you to the New York VIP for free, brother. I added him to the New York VIP. I told him, look, bro, I'm sorry. You know, and then he was like, yo, bro, and your fucking shitty ass trade. You hit take profit. He goes, I lost with that shit. And then we hit take profit 1. And then the thing turned away all the way around. And he didn't take profit at take profit 1. And he started bitching at me for it. And I was like, bro, we hit take profit 1. What are you talking about? Like, what do you mean you lost your trade and blew your account with my trade? Because he started texting the free chat. He told everybody, hey, I blew my account with the free. Hey, I blew my account with this guy's trade. So I don't know what you guys are talking about. I was like, bro, we hit take profit 1. And he goes, since when do you take profit at take profit 1? I was like, what? Like, what channel are you not watching, brother? Like, we're always fucking taking profit and then leaving runners, or sometimes we don't. Like, I always just clarify it. But once we hit take profit 1, this was privately. Like, he fucking messaged me privately, and I messaged him privately also, telling him, look, bro, I'll give you everything for free. Like, I'll give you your refund. I'll give you whatever. And he was like, look, bro, it's not about the money. And then he started texting everybody in the chat, yo, guys, I'm leaving the VIP. I'm leaving the VIP. And so right now he started writing in the chat. I deleted it after I called him out, but he started writing right now in the chat saying, this guy's going to sleep. He said, this guy's going to sleep. I'm not actually going to show up again, they said. He's not even, I don't even know. And no, I'm not insulting him or anything like that. I'm actually just talking about, oh, look how the chart's melting. This was a beautiful not fucking take the trade. Oh my God. Or unless it's the beautiful entry. Oh my God, what's about to happen? Is this the entrance or what? I think this is God's freaking bless calling right now. I should not insult him. What else, dude? He sent me a whole bunch of. I'll read the messages he sent me. I'll read you guys the messages he sent me because I know that I answered everything. I answered was always just like positive, and he was just like straight coming out. Oh, I blocked him, so his message is deleted. But at one point, he was like, "Look, bro, He was like, I'm whoever wants the profits of my trading account could take all my profits. I'm leaving." And I was like, "Yo, bro, what happened? Why are you telling everybody they could have free money and then saying that you're gonna quit trading and leaving? Like, you obviously are just trying to call for attention." Like, nobody just fucking says, "Do you want free money?" to wreck in a random Discord group chat. You know what I mean? I don't know. I have this guy's tripping. Tripping. If you are a current VIP member and you feel hurt and affected that I do not have you in the New York VIP chat, or not that you're hurt, but you read them. Get him. If I thought you were saying read him because his name is Got him, get him, and I always got him. So read him. No, I can't. There's nothing to read. And all it was is that he sent me a paragraph saying how I'm greedy and saying how he's been through many channels before that get greedy and he knows exactly on what road I'm headed to. And then I literally answered, "Brother, I apologize. I'm super sorry if you feel that way. I could literally, like I said right now, if you guys feel like I need to add you to the New York group because you paid and you didn't know the New York group existed and blah, 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 blah. I mean, message me and I'll handle it. Like the New York group, all it is that they sell NAS. I don't even know what the New York group sells. It's not what I don't know what pairs they trade, but they've been trading typically. You see NAS, yeah, like I said, it's for people that trade NAS. It's for people that trade NAS and people that trade, just the Euro USD NAS, and like, for whoever's trading literally during the time that I'm never up, because past an hour from now, 2 hours from now, I never send trades, never. So therefore I said, look, I'm gonna get a guy who's gonna be able to send trades and actively fucking help people at that time. There's what that is. I don't need to make excuses, but I just wanted to call out the guy who's probably still watching right now, and I blocked his messages and get him mad. Can I sneak on the VIP without paying? You tried doing that already, Omar. You already got caught. If you wouldn't have gotten caught, you would have been able to, but because you got caught, you cannot. That's like what my mom used to say when I was little. She's like, she said, if you're going to behave bad, don't be a fucking idiot and get in trouble and get caught. If you're going to do something, don't get fucking caught, you dumbass. And that's why she wouldn't let me do it, because she'd fucking hit me and be like, look, you're a fucking idiot. You're going to get caught every time. 10 out of 10 times I'm going to catch you, so therefore don't do it. If you were to know how to not get caught, then you'd probably be allowed to do it. But you got caught. Joshua, you texted me, I think you said that you won. Double confirm to me through Instagram right now. I'm gonna make sure I answer my Instagram. No, I didn't ban you, Omar. I'm not gonna ban you. I said I like you. Omar. I read our messages together and I like you. Legit, coming from a trader that has been with every mentor / guru out there, this is by far the best place to be. I truly appreciate that, Dahlia. I'll make sure that I never stop failing. Not like, I never fail you, never stop failing, never not fail, and always keep on. Guys, this could be a really good fucking entry. Wow. A 30 pip stop loss puts us in a really good place. We need a VIP level trade in admin. We need a VIP. What does this guy mean? We need a VIP level trade in admin. We need a VIP. Oh, okay. He wants a VIP level trade. Look, whenever I send a trade to the admin signals, I haven't sent trades lately because I do not send bullshit trades. If I send it to the admin signals or if I send it to the VIP signals, it goes on my track record. And if I take it on live stream, it goes on my track record. Therefore, I am not going to just send trades for free because I want to be able to have people stick around in the Discord and take my free trades. I hate that shit. If I don't see a setup, I'm not taking a trade. I'm not going to send something that if I'm sending a trade, it's because I'm in it myself, and I'm not going to send something that I'm not going to get in, and I'm not going to send something that I don't believe is going to hit because it's going to go against my record. Right. And I'm not a person that needs to be sending trades for free. Like if you guys are in the Discord and there's nothing happening for you and that's it, You know, if there's multiple setups that come up, there has been times where I'll send 2 trades in a day, but like, yeah, I'm not sending so if I do send a trade today to the admin signals, that means that that trade is meant for VIP as well, and that means that I believe that trade is going to hit and it's a valuable trade. Oh, you are mastering GBP/JPY. I only trade GBP/JPY. This is my track record since April of last year. April, every single trade has been taken on live stream. May, every single trade taken on live stream. June, July, August, September, October, November. We never traded December, January, February, March. For every, I mean, we've been doing this for a while, right? I bet you the same people that thought that this was fake in April joined in May, saw the same thing. Same people that joined in June and would see the previous saw that June was the same thing. Then again with the July, then again with August, then again with September, then again with October, then again with November. You know, we didn't trade January. So then those who were experienced, you know, those who were traded with me in February probably thought January was bullshit. But then they traded with me February. Then they joined February. They saw February, my track record. They probably thought it was bullshit. They've been following me since March. Now this is March's track record. None of them have ever been like all of these are legitly. I take 1 trade a day and I log 1 trade a day. So I can't just randomly come up with freaking 4 wins. I can't randomly come up with any of these win streaks. This is all as legit as it gets, you know? And at time and time again, there's probably people that don't. I mean, I've actually never had anybody call me out saying that it is a fake track record, but due to the fact that probably they see that I take 1 trade a day, and whenever you guys keep on joining, I mean, you guys clearly see that it's the same results month after month after month after month. It's not like, oh, he only took 2 losses in April, and then I don't know where. Like, look at November, we only took 1 loss. You know, yeah, there's other times we took 4 losses in September, 4 losses in August. You know, a bunch of losses over here, but there's a bunch of wins. Also, the win rate's on your right-hand side. So for those. Oh, yeah. No, this isn't like fucking Mamba out here who fucking claims to be on an 88. What was it? He said it was like on an 80 win streak. Like the 80 win streak type shit. Stop yapping because the entry is forming. That's very, hey man, he spoke his mind and it's true. I gotta stop yapping and get to fucking trading. Enough talking shit, start walking it. I think somebody fit in to get muted. No, dude, I don't, guys, I am not an easily offended person. I promise you guys that I am not an easily offended person. I am a person that actually believes that everybody should always speak their mind. So if you guys are like, yo, this guy talks too much, and you guys like, I won't mute somebody who says, oh, this guy talks too much. I won't mute somebody who tells me, for example, the other time, I don't know, you guys can tell me that I'm getting fat on goddamn stream, and I'm not gonna be getting upset with you guys, you know? Like I'm not now off stupidity. Like if there's stupidity, like Gotham Gaming, he was complaining to my VIP after we won our trade that he lost, and then like off stupidity, I'm like, yo, bro, like fuck that shit. Feel me? Get out of here. But like, I'm definitely not easily offended by anybody. You guys could speak your minds and fucking not be. Badass is a little bit easy offended. So if you guys offend Badass is one of the admins in here, moderators. He'll get your ass banned in 2 seconds. 2 seconds, he'll get your ass banned. So if you guys don't want to get banned from the stream, don't mess with Badass. You know? Don't get on his bad side. But I definitely, you know, you guys could, you know, stupidity is the point where I get. I swear to God, it's like, yo, you guys could, as long as it's truth, it's good. Dahlia, no, Dahlia, chill. Do not just. Come on, Dahlia. Truth, logic, and opinion based, all is allowed to be spoken. Dahlia might bring more subs. Man, it looks like a good bull set. Like I'm telling, what looks horrible is taking cells. I'll tell you that. Please do not take cells right now, boys. Like, even if it ends up selling off and then you guys are going to be upset with me, I'd rather you guys be upset with me. The chances of that actually happening are very little. Now, could it sell off for a little bit and then fly? Yes. I mean, I believe that we're going to end tonight bullish. I really do. This off the 15-minute time frame doesn't look too convincing. The 30-minute time frame looks more convincing that it's going to go bullish right now, hourly as well. What time frame was that I just looked at that looked horrible? 5-minute. Even though 5-minute looks like it's going to wick fill this to the left-hand side. If I were to see this candlestick formation that we have right now on a higher time frame, I'd tell you that this is bearish. Like, this candlestick needs to come and wick fill that right there. But it's on a 5-minute time frame, which shows you the irrelevantness of it. Now, this 15-minute is giving me bearish vibes as well. This is when a whole bunch of people start hopping into buys because, oh, it's flipping bullish, it's flipping bullish, it's flipping bullish, and then it just ends up going bearish. So, like, that's the fake out that I recognize that's happening right now. But like I said, boys, I'm going to start calling it. If you guys want to be a part of the free trade that I'm going to send, VIP, it's the VIP. The next VIP trade is going to be here in the admin signals. I doubt that. Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. And then, like I said, give me about an hour or 2 hours, and we'll probably hop on in Discord. I'm not gonna go to sleep, but I just have a bunch of accounts that I have screenshots of accounts. I'm not even want to do that. I feel like you might could even see the password there. I have a bunch of accounts I need to open, and I can't open them on the freaking web platform. And I can't just be dragging screen to screen. And like, I don't know, I need to open up a whole bunch of credentials, and I can't be doing that on live stream. Shit, that 15-minute went. All right, give me a chance to actually look at the charts. Give me a chance to actually send a trade. Boys, DX trade sucks, buddy. I know. GJ still, regardless, I mean, it has not ripped. It has not gone anywhere, and we have a 30-minute candlestick close about to come. So this 30-minute candlestick close, I mean, that candlestick that we have right now is going to close as a continuation candlestick, right? It's going to close probably where it's at. It's either going to come down and start retracing and wick filling this to the left-hand side, or it's just going to open as a continuation candlestick, no bottom wick and fly. Now, yeah, boys, I need to get off so I have a chance to actually fucking take a trade and everything. I adore you guys. Thank you guys so much. I apologize for any negativity that there was. I don't think it was negativity. I was just trying to call out the bullshit, the stupidity. Clap your hands if you are smart, boys. Much love to everybody. Thank you guys so much for joining. Pay attention to the Discord group. We will be sending a trade very soon. It has been 3 hours. Not enough volume to bust through resistance. That's why the next 30-minute candlestick, whenever we have a candlestick closing or a candlestick opening, we get volume. So therefore, I'm saying the next 30-minute candlestick that comes is going to actually probably bring enough volume to, wick to continue to the top side or wick fill to the downside. I know it's an obvious yes, it either has to go up or down, but I'm saying that it's going to do it with momentum. I think the next candlestick is going to bring a lot of momentum. The next 30-minute candlestick. Potentially no bottom wick, potentially no top wick, but something's going to happen right now. Market's a little too dead. When the market's dead is when you want to be hopping in a trade, because then when it starts making noise, you want to be able to be getting to take profit once it's making noise. You don't want to fucking have the market be making noise, going crazy, exploding, past take profit, and then you hopping in and chasing the trade. No, you need to hop in when it's quiet, and then be on the right side of the market when the noise comes. All right, go after the next 30-minute candlestick. It's about to open any second. I could wait 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Let's see what happens. Guy, we have to make this person popular. Who are you talking about? 30-minute candlestick. Where's the volume? Where's the momentum? Volume, momentum. Go, go, go. No clue where she's going. She's just tired of not knowing, so she. Isn't it crazy how I always call out when there's no bottom wicks happening? You get just the momentum candlesticks, boys. Y'all need to start understanding. Oh, the wick might come. Nope. and time again, I prove my points to be picture perfect. All right, what's that song? Drives by Russ. This is Russ. I'm not even listening to the song, but I can see it on the top left. This is Russ. This is Russ. Is part of Russ's new album. Russ is popping off, bro. I adore you guys, boys. Much love to everybody. Thank you guys for joining the stream. Thank you guys for being a part of it.
Comes out and tells her she ain't gonna hurt no more, but he can't give her love until he learns to love him first.
Look how the camera slowly focused to my fingers and blurred me out in the background. I love it. Look at that quality, boys. I got like fucking, you guys see me in 1080 or 4K, or what do you guys see me at?
She's just tired of not knowing, so she
all right, boys, pay attention to the Discord so I can call out a trade for you guys. Win streak is alive, right? What are we on? 1, 2, 3 win streak. We're on a 3-win streak. Let's go. Much love to everybody. Adore you guys. Peace out, boys. Peace. See ya.
Until that moment comes, she just drives.
Don't change on me, mama, just pray for me. I know you stressing, just wait on me, mama, just wait on me. I know they ain't show no love to me, some gon' look up to me, nigga, but fucking I'm coolin'. Ain't had no back for me, say you feel bad for me, I got the work and I moved it. Charged like a battery, demons they battle me, I got some pain, I might lose it.
I got some pain, I might lose it. I got some pain and confusion.
I got some niggas who sentence like essays, I put all their names in my music. Pain that we put it, never let them tell you that you can't, no you couldn't. Me and you could never be the same, no we couldn't. Yeah, my mother rich, seen a chance and I took it. Sky was all black, never wished on a star. Finally proud of me now. Boy, you so dark, how you shine like a star. How you shine like a star. Boy, I'm about making money. Laughing, joking when there's nothing funny. You wasn't thinking, getting nothing from me. I did some things and